so bet me a share. Now my catch say a co-foreigner and I energy drink. I fan sir. I have 5G. I'm a terrible my catch say no. Yet some brand say enough for messing for no. One more site. One more just and Yamia to Yamia to among some and what Tromoswan kakra attitude to room Peja Bibi kakrabi and some ideas who are touching tea and to messing from one site and watch it. I have cabenta for most more bottom so yet to my friend met to for most more taka. Yes, and what then masa met you for me. I don't brutal one dinner. What can I come what yes, I just cannot. I need the same energy. I know this is somehow. I just can say your January study. Also somehow that to one carrier there's a brother idea. Met you for in a mamuna mache. And what Bramo Muchi tax and no man yaka for massa. It's a one yakano chroman tetted yana chum. Yes, one yakana bought him some a heavy duty and a Bramuna 5G energy drink our bra when our energy I'm out your cool numas and watch it wunya what them mapa our brother causa wonum a 5G energy drinker and in soon so bonnet our pomuten so as I say caffeine our form a ginseng over Pajuma Pampe and watch guarana num and it just a grapes and also your meme draw tatashe and it just a grapefruit no nina I just say your bomb our brand make house a green tea and so I Juma Pa Masa and 20 all your Bama Crasa or man power and so our bra I have 5G energy drink commentarima and another penny 7 yet Abashak me ba la liga no cinnamon says breaking news I mean second sir Man City ball Ali kick off our way our bra city bobo kono woman some ababa game way and some our carrying cottage our bra woman some other side die for us a Fulham and some other people now report I mean second says and say we are just in and say Ellen Haaland aba start omu governor masa makacho say City fono sam omu do what you say omu Premier League title and some aje said you be Arsenal edike ama Man City atosum yenu omu pamoa and owura bi say I said you be asa timba kana afa timba locks na omu nyina mo sane free aje say odi enu kai do what de pa because omu break na aja papa bia but to the car do what here just am okom de katente jaminya ni nyina no sa akotana ye fa no say Ellen Haaland ewa bro sina kan and some other mothers cables of Man City no meches a pep ebe san starting na no pay one second sansa wo mu game no so 11:30 anopaya ali kick off na sa game no and no some baso ma unso be say aye ali kick off in two komwa no I care for Massa not win ewa bro Man City bobo no and some omo Premier League title and some aje afei yamra aye ensem no so enra wo mu matches and I was a baso nyina no and some baso enra bobo kuwa ye fan say Inter Milan womo ye champions and some our Italy womo call for Sinoni na enwa deba kono say na yenim sa ebia Interfage League na wie internal boys na kwa kosa ma kire kwa no na sem omusuro anu manager no enso asama nkora yi wo mu kwahye ma akoma enum aye 5-0 ana chesenra eno so about our players enu no manager no mo start game ama Inter where rotation kakra enso our Inter squad no nyina chi no David Fratesi one about first goal Marco Anatovic about second goal ebiem aye Branta Vanessa Tajum Bashana one shall go enra Lautaro Martinez Eshebi Ansana Kotana Yefan Sam Marcus Turam enra one some other source Ama Kwakaya Makuma enum Adiama Saita Yefan Sa Inter Milan wa bra room and some our Italy himself from enra and some other Baninano no report to second Sasina me Arbotena I Mother's Day and some our Ghana baby for Mother's Day come data a fena baby for so the Abana Yedi Kenya report on house of enra passe AC Milan for the sack amount Jesus Libya. Woman say they want to just try Mother's Day in Milan for the cancer among the players no ebia for Rafael Leo nebia mame and some at the Madame Angia nebia wo Rafael Leo just national yakire ebia mame Angie and some ebia guachire wo mame at the mame Jenna nebia wo me mame Janet yakire Janet no and some ebia good player no with JC and some as a friend woman say aba be ye fefe am no ka say yes clubs no say say omo druma ko 7 omo nyina no wo be asem yemfa omo mame ensom adi enku omo Jesus no ensom achi ewa bra na ye kase no wo so matches apostle Italy we as part of Mother's Day esan se mame for omo bra pa masa ye wa koda bu on doctor no and midwife no ye push sa koda yi ti ebe pie masa e tire bi part se da say na ye no mu pito no sa be ye tire ensom ebe pie ama mami ensom ebe de no ho na kwakwa bi o tima me for no ye masa wo ma bre e wa bank koda no se yemfam omo mami din ensom enku chese omo Jason achi wa bra me no ka say no ya ba benya AC Milan and watch ya say January for no woman so say yenya bi amomo ya Torino bobo kwefan say Kayari Calcio and what Hellas Zoronia bobo kwefan say Lecce and afa Denise for no woman you say yemfa eyomo mame and some di ento omo JC and some Argentina say koba say ya wo kwakwohwe talent series A now some rante na bom nemom emadin and some na gu omo JC na chamesraw and kwakase na omo de madia kwakwogu omo JC achi aye players no wo bia mame din and a repair and some our Jason our Brennan Peno and no and some update to Eba on some no yet the Abia to Washarak Mame I Syria B almost say that your father say Como when him say Enra Syria B almost Manchester Barcelona I tell back when say Como Fono after 21 years I'm really get here Nyamiadum I'm about back Samba Besia Kai Nyamiadum next season no I'm about boy our Syria animo na yesi Kaya dia ya ka ya na bi mum na dim so ayo rodo radan sam na bia ya kan Kamasa, why I club a Bobo Crefan so Como, Zero Henry, and some I shareholder, and what your family gas our Dasui, one of some I shareholder our club no more, our Brame Kausa, Wasaka, a young manager, one some I Juma Adama Saida, your father so Como, and what Adeba Consa Enra, what no more bomb game, no more same chance of your results, and no some our that side, and so Fevabo Kua, your father so Como, and Tamino Casano Mutana Fiabo 1-1, Nanka 1-1. And should I enough? And just one more train result of a and some other free other side, shark cabin video, no, and some other mayor timer, not just a coaches and a groupie, and some our dugout or bench or not just some also transcend your piano. Way I side, I found some coma, and your man some about to me a coma results of a performing in an Enra, woman your family gas and I'm on monitor result. El Coso, our other grounds, our Breno, and ensure, sir, woman El qualify. And what timer about some much and roughly upon and it automatically come and some qualifying brother stadium hall supporters will be out in the phone managers some good that got 20 technical team no and managers who should be our Bernardo planning no yet I am some adema yet where I come after 21 years one must qualify and some about Italian Serie A way and some celebration and run. I know, and so of course, our Promotional Casani, no, yet I am some no, and some about your job for another pay, and some our show to our bro Cobasa, Palma, one more qualify automatically, Omono J, I yes, Syria Bino, your Bobo Crefans of Como, one more some qualify and our best on result, and also some see and our Promotional Casani, no, one more some qualified Deba. Now, Joe Hori Shakma Tema and now Hori some at I yes, anymore. Now, only now Quackers and your piano qualification. Ababaso, and I said, "Be qualification, and no some man to me, my soul, and what he or reference, Jemmy Valdi, okay, Jemmy Valdia, Leicester for no so don't qualify, and some about Premier League anymore, Joe Henry, and ye, I just want to meet now, Master, because yes, baby, on Japan, you want to hold come out, and to baby, I do see I invest in at home, and I just I am sharing, you know, and some free Bama, ya lama, what I say, what was a Bequia, and what my qualify Henry, Nania J, and what Jemmy Valdi, and some any Valdi so coco PM our Italy. One year man for you for Nini any day our branches bueno and some ayo combo amon tensua. One some qualify na won some you know yet the Emma yet for anano pay and some our short so no polyphono. One say you want to just say creature quaraskilia when the baby are called. Namua, Mama Gisebia Quaraskilia no, Ebia Napoli for Babaton, Sebia Chessa Omotonia Balance, Wamu books and Asempo, Yatesa Ebia Mbappé Equi, Na Chesenia Paris Saint-Germain, Wamusum Abayasamo Pacotana, Yafana Sa Quaraskilia no, report to me second say Napoli for Se Quaraskilia, Wamonton des summer, Omatonga, Gisebia Yamiadama Nest Ayasama and Sana Quatano, Wamusum Atimia Tona Chesse, Aya next year, and so Asem, na Ajeba couldn't say manager fans mass allegri a coachy Bobo Crab fans a Juve airport game at the chess salonitana na Juve for yes coach and say Wabasam Adran Rabio as arresting I'm hey now one casa coffee look at a course and I just am so automatically Champions League I had your qualifying Tino and said I'm a bima drama home I just am no casa report to Miniano and some other many Janaba say were resting Aquadana fans Adran Rabio our Bramino Casano and some update to Abashak and Mami. I yet UEFA Champions League, now you're a player of the week. Okaya, woman nominated Matt Hummels, our Bonnepo, and some other Dortmund and Wati. Woman nominated Akadana, your fan son Vinicius Junior Manoka say, woman at the UEFA Champions League, player of the week, and some Adama Dortmund Ora, your fan son Matt Thomas Omukroye, and the last two come J. I am man of the match, and at this week, woman said J man of the match in Tomumiano, woman say player of the week, woman some Adama Brantena, your fan Matt Hummels, our Bramano Casano, and some update to Alba. Now, you're some Bamunchim Fono, woman does so per manager, also Fenra, na a Dimbi Ababaso, and you'll be a Hansi Fleck, and once again, Wabasa, and you're also friend on Comodina, not just Albasoning, not just say, Hansi Fleck, no sooner, Bamunchin retainer, Wabaya Essanan Copper Basa Jumano, and you're so Benya, and watching other clubs, one more Europe, Basan Kabia manager way, and some other Quakoya Juma Amasa clubs in Inano, and no some Antimianfa, and to Santimianfa, dear, Nani a transfer automatically manager when you're Bamuchi Jumadina once again, Wabasa Kobak no Quakoya Jumano, and some Adama Jamesa can say, when you're Juman almost say one shot Miroslav closer, and some Abaka the backroom staff and all, our back closer, maybe a chum, not just on I strike and a reporter, Mimi Miroslav closer, and some Nabet Miaka, a backroom staff and all, and no, and some update to Elba, not Jamesa can say manager, your friend Thomas Tuchel, and then the pre-match conference, answer, one more Fusberg, Namiad Mochina, now yes, German time, and I'm 12:30, not just say, Meno Casa Kanamsa by now, while ya start at dear, you can say the pre-match conference, our Broadway, and some other coach, your friend Thomas Tuchel, now Jamie understand. Watching a Sunday, one match Abasu Metisa, Bamunchin Pan for the Somoya Bibi Kakra, at the map manager says, on your share crowdy, Waba Cochu, one more controllers crana, will be him send Henry and one, I must say, a referee, and a yet mistake, Nams Ama Champions League, want to be uncle final to a Bramano Casino, report to me, and a manager way, Yasi Yamian Bochina, Wamusum Abaya small present to be, and so at Jamal Coaching and Wachi, Wamusuba Kuchiri and some Kakra, at your good crat as walking kind. Every screen is so and it just say I had a scoreboard and a senior money now. One must add the message Kakra Abama manager and every match and idea. So no some about you may add my side. You find Bavarians, our Brano, and some update about something you know. Yet Emma, you jump for an pay, and some our show us Mbappé. And some hour na WI can some trying to update to be our winner timer. One monitor and Jumadi follow your stories. I demand you know when him say yan slake. Na Adeba kono say and what Adaptability lovers and Juronya woman about 2-2 Nanan Kabobo Kavan says Juronya Wabra Eric Garcia about first goal and Jean Guridi Atekano and some other Adaptability lovers Yangel Herrera about second goal Ama Juronya Ninano as the first half anymore Yakoba second half when him say Jean Guridi Ajasanra one of the Kate Kanabako Ama Saita Yafanos Alavesano at 90+9 now just say you're born 99 minutes and a boy and some other restore parity and my Adaptability lovers I just send you a game and run and some abaso and watch it my main front one and ra I had a Stuttgart almost one Emma Augsburg almost went to me ante I say who Girassi or no and I make a difference and ra our brother Girassi and I said the only goal and some other Stuttgart and no game abaso and ra and some our French league anymore oh Jason is I said one 1 ama le have omo antimiante and watch breast aye saita nanka omo transfer luzi and what the tanisa bobo kwa fanisa rhymes omo akwada na fanisa masha munesi onom atwatena and some adma rhymes our first half nimo na first half nemo ana defender just abribiano what defend the good cause aye fanisa Lilian Brazia wanom asabete kai and some adma bobo kwa fanisa aye breast mo eno amokas ana Brazia baba ko ana Brazia be ko nyina masa munya abotre just Brazia da so ye adwuma what da some defend bobo kuwa ye fanisa breast our batches and no Brazil and some aye adwuma no simple na se dia men se kan nyina no and some ansa Mbappé and some aba me de ma men ko aye Premier League no mu kakransa na Premier League gan aye Mbappé de mo pedia yin yanko premium rawo okay ya producer say yanko premium ranti and yes say Shadrack mame aye Premier League go so messenger wo mo dia wo mo se pitch no aye players edia na Premier League campaign for message and ye wenom aye kokobo woman person no be abenya se na ba wiase na wo fa ene bia wo ma me no obusuafo wo ma so omo ho van emma adan ya ba be pacho na ya giandish akofie Premier League campaign for say over the years omo monitor hu say abeka be say bia 2 matches ama ya wi season na on say ebetimi survive last day and two months almost supporters no oma invade the pitch wama TS pitch no so de many we been some match Premier League no obo say be last day now supporters no and some invade the aye pitch no mu ye de at the Premier League in point for say yama to just omunim say ya na efe aye momenta ya na aye fefe from anyoma nyina akoye na mum do so mo kan nyina no say de wo TS car wokotena stance no se what TS kan nti wote wakonwa so no sansom ana pitch na ye boso ball and aye players no wo mo dia entitena wakonwa so na players no so nyina ayo mo pitch na so na domo kan nyina no se wa wo dia wo se wo ye bememu na cha so ye kan wasoa wo men wakunkon na wachi ayiya ba wo ntie hwe a cha sempen fo be se wo fa boganya swine a cha se wo fa hwe ho no wo dia tisi pitch na so na o tisi pitch na so I just say please Edobeko, and I said, our club, no, and some other mouth ban, Yimubako, way, I one and Oman can, and Albeka Sabian Perifana and Cancho, Womudi can't catch or Sedabaya, and Concoba Sabi will be better than Babina, and Oman can't summon a 10 PNA, Achasano Ayo Cocoba, where a Premier League campaign for Nino, woman some at the Alpa, Shadrack Mami Mohammed Kudus, and Ogono, now West Ham United for say, are you official, okay, sir, now West Ham about Europe. Now I'm about Freiburg. I'm going game against I have Freiburg, you know. Kudus a ball. What you will be a Koboshe. So I'm going in here. West Ham for say Kudus. A goal against I have Freiburg, you know. And I just West Ham. One goal of the season, you know. And some other sinning also. As I say, way a lone man. I brought no qua. I have a solo goal, single effort, you know. And I just a Kudus. Yeah. One did you pass one no. And I was saying, yeah, the goal of the season. And some other man ever brought no pain, and I update about Liverpool. Afraid you're not now Liverpool Jumana Bomani Nansa said the BBI confirmed already ya catch us Michael Edwards Babaya Chief Executive Officer at Jama Aye Football and watch and slot Babaya coach Obenya Technical Director ya Fansa Julian Ward ono account omunye and Alfred Richard Hughes Ayobia one of Aye Sporting Director Mark Aye Bashel and so Aye Chief Scout and Pedro Marquez and so Ayobia almost say one of Babaya Director of Football Development our Braway and some I said the Antichemuno and no some Abasia quiet don't something you know at the Maya Jump for an pay and some I was sure no so now and slot Abrahamfa and a manager Abatina now the second cancer yes and answer be a club at no oh on my bone say be a van Ababesiwo na yin man mako and some other when I remove a van answer your can be one ma woman the swan ma say baby out to akwa baby for fra ya car come akwa the move fakia and I so 200 because we drop 15 we ma be 32 and okay about come nyina fufu nko amaza it remove a van no yes am town say be ebesi your game club a few honomo I just wash us yin your man no shark me da pa ebi ni what shall say in your man Marco I just a vanny bin now if you know Tim no I have £4 million mentioned the man can say ɛyɛ club no woman kasa no motoye enti enye Jurgen Klopp afie enti na O2 no enti yes the same mansion and a coach your friends and slaughter bar one some ababetenam and yes onya dwuma na abekɔ dia eni kwanse fion so tena ho enti na club aid in your brother me second say the same aye mansion and a coach your friends and slaughter so bar one some ababetenam achese no and some aye update aba Liverpool team no report to me second say yes omo signings anya crowd bese mienu ekosi miensa de aye den a manager fans and slot no ensom abaye makacho so mo typical striker and you one mo say elite number 6 and you 2 already me abetu dada am makacho and slot say obesesam abranchana fans Trent Alexander-Arnold in position and what Mohamed Salah krano me say be ka say mete se sana be kodia na ne manager no fu say baby o mo Salah to na aye Salah chese ni faso no yesem ogiri ba so yi Salah free I don't know Kotuba before celebrate me more than the oye. I just said, I knew my manager and some other way. Timino Casino, best 2, Equasabia, best 3. I just saying is at the Liverpool Timino and some other Swamaya, I know, and so I update Abama Arsenal and Romo training, and so I was sober. Reality a training center and also a bathroom. Now, boys, no woman yabre pao. Asna fania bre papa me no kase no. Woman tidi pass our sell league ni omoje. Send manager fans Arteta. I go kase I wo think on mu. Acha na adwemu de. Wo imagine Arsenal for peja kuru yi. Enso dia kosoro amanyo mai toto. Acha Arsenal. Wo mo ju omani adan a. Wo mo match Premier League no. Enso ade so omana so no omo training na. Eno so eba so nyina akọ kama na mom. Wo mo new JC anyame yarma na season. Wo mo so bayi so no. Onsa me pound to next week. Now so me no kasa oko Arsenal omo shopper. Wo ma start Ayrton ayesa JC sa. Arsenal ebe so nyame ya to me no. Enso aye next season e wa brasha academy wa. Esay omo store ho. Wo mo ashase enso Ayrton JC na. Enom enso aye kakra free omo so ye. Enso adeba ho nsem ni nyina no. Ye de ema ye je for enano pay. Enso awo show no so afei. Mama manager fan sa Mikel Arteta. Ye busa Arteta sa ye nim sa mo ko Old Trafford. Nyame ya no botena. Na sa abrabia Arsenal so be ko Old Trafford biano Manchester ni form okra wontimi fa sense ubo enka se bia Arsenal e kwa kwhye yana attach ya kakra na no musa coach no so pani momoroko Old Trafford so enhye anya papa bia asa na nya bia no mo ko no san Arsenal manager no say womunim ade a woso mo ye entinye kasa pi womunim ade a woso mo ye baby oso mo fa baby a eni kwa so mo tia ne baby oso mo tia ne nyina akeka ma Arsenal enso ngadim se ne nyame ya mo chena wo mo so abefa so abobo no e wa bra no enso aya asema manager ye fa no se Mikel Arteta enso ade tudwa
has a different context. We know the difficulty is in our history when you look at what we've done over there, so we're going to have to get our best to earn the right to win the game. It is, and we know what we need to do, but first of all we have to perform at a really high level to deserve to win the match, and that's where the focus is. I don't think about every game has a different context.
Yes, not just Arsenal, manager now, just your daily accepts Emma, your job for Enano pay, and some our show so Tottenham, Omakotana, your friend say James Madison. Yes, Madison say, I was said Tottenham, ABB, Papa Bina, Wamosha says so much titles. I'm saying, oh, Hurricane Crab, and Timmy and Fanadio, I yes, I do baby, Unama, I catch us all, Tottenham, dear, as I said, be a bomb, as a title, no. Bobo said bia Jones aboches abuakoko no chese be dem pass title there wo mo so betimi agibie also mo yo madwuma ye no mo hyase se wo mo so age ade so mo na so agitum said this season no enioma mfa chese enioma gie agunamom also mo kiko mo sere bia ntem pass no wo mo so betimi anya trophy enso ade so mo na so anu nti me no ka se onum se medical dia batu twa se wo mo se Brentford a striker na ye fan se Ivan Toney wo mo nya Hurricane man you know, who probably amena replace Hurricane. Woman fools Ivan Toney, the right person. One about me, I shake Kane, and I now, yes, some of you say Brentford wants to say, woman, when I have 50 million pounds. So now I'm going to know your Tinafia Cacantina, and more to bonus. So yes, I'm coming about here. I have 50 million pounds. Won't try the NHS only ready say, was some on the bubble crap fans of Brentford, and so about your business. Our brand no, I update about Shadrach Mame Captain. Your friend said, James and so a tweet and I send a post and I pay. Now James post to Bob Besson on Wakiano, and James post say, see you at 5:30 UK time. Now say Chelsea game about 4:30. No, resumes snatches automatically. About what Chelsea or baby. Send on the catch us on and some other match day squad and no. Or right fan service James no and some a clue. I just say one of our banner. Never more cross over started because opposed to you say Chelsea and so opposed match day squad no flyer. I retweet to Koti. I just said Chelsea boy no and some other one more match. Squad into the end train, say we be free bench and aba, and I say we be starting about Kakana manager no, and some I enough from one, ya say ya jano and some abesiako. Now report to me say can you say and some and say among flash asem. Woman say Jesse number 10 no, woman run free a Mikhailo Mudrik and some normal farmer called Palmer. Na ni nyina nsa Palmer ban obehye 20 ana mra bia twam so ko Palmer one Man City and kwadane mu no na wo hye number 10 ama yese sa time kwana chess Eden Hazard no our Chelsea am wo DM no so ayamia o me ko Palmer me wo Man City kwadane mu na me pe wasam pass no so ball ama na no you obegye player of the month enro no ono so ebe post say feeling here so obe send o idol ayam message na dey adwuma oboy onso babbo sa adwuma no bi sansa wo pe the last time a Chelsea player Eji player of the month, Eden Hazard, a chap papa. I just an Andriano, I could have about the Jinti number 10 here. Yes, I'm on Fashion, yes, sir. Woman ever free me, Calamudre, Cancer Nafe, woman from Akadana, your friend so cold, Palmer, Bimususia Bassamoa, Munyano Shad 20, Mamma Fat 10 beyond Quashanafe, and Menane Chelsea number 9 or beyond the Swabashano, and of course, beyond number 9. It's all beyond. We have about time now in the Shadowadi. I just said, in a few months. And some Abana Chelsea manager no yes coach and say on one cast and Yomahano. Again, I was now we are Juma what you say be a Juma or to us. And I say be a Juma Pamo. Now coach and you say one of your Busabaka say, well, yeah, Juma Pow into a random set Yamiama next season, Waba to us so amateur cinnamon, Sakobasia Pamona, into an unquane coach, our year Juma, Nempan for Sakeno, and also an unquane coach, oh yeah, Juma just after one season. Now Yabaka Chan say, yeah, Dasi, Yentimino to us with him, and now what was that question? I know, Yapamana, every say, every nani mutui. I just say, oh, you okay? Omaninja, and come free Chelsea, quite dada. Yenti Chelsea manager, your friend Mauricio Pochettino.
Look, it's not important. The most important is to keep going working if we are all happy. Not only the owners happy with us or the sporting director with us or us with all the organization that the club is building here, because on them we are all under assessment. If we are happy, perfect. But it's not only if the owners are happy or the sporting director are happy. We are happy. You need to ask also, because maybe we said, look, maybe we are not happy, and then we assess the situation, and maybe we are not happy, and we need to split. But it's not going to be the first time that a coaching staff decide on the end of the season not to keep going. But at this end, that always is in the opposite way. That always is the owners or the project.
Yes, and no, I have some manager, Fancy Mauricio Pochettino, and I would tell you, Casa Medina accepts Emma, your for and I pay live our Jumedia Fancy final lap on live on Sompa 93.1 FM, live on Facebook, and I feel live on Sompa TV. No, yeah, that's so at the update. Emma, Fema manager, your Fancy Pub Gadiola manager. No, when you say Fulham, say last season, Moko Kevin Cottage, yes, Fulham for Monfancha Monimua, Omo Fompa, Omo Petro. Among what as well as what dry and I saw what said also ebia wo twa so me from no yes wo tina said as okobu aburo nwuram no just am say manager fancy pepper say omo prepare on say the city obi eni ho a wo betimi a drop point Shadrack make ha me da say wo bi o drop point say pe oyonko be league no Arsenal awiata so and Man City so awiata so pampe na ena obi e hwere me early kick off the bibia timi si wo bi kwa so bon say Fulham a wow gone hye ho na chese so 1-0 omodi apon ɛho na asam ne wono na ana mo bisa papa so pani na anya bia Fulham omo pitch no say munim say the city ade ana manager no say woman kasa kwari no woman training our pitch so dry woman training our dry pitch so ana ma say training our pitch esa wasuntom no woman prepare for be out the baba bia susu kruwa bia be susu am Man City no eno no mo so be susu am enti Fulham pa omo twitwa mo bubo ntokuro woman training wo so ompa kra bodo mo kobo ka kwa mu masa bono mo ba san hye wo mo yentie manager fan so Pep wa bra confirm so my training our dry pitch so ahead of Fernando Pay early kick off against Fulham.
Yesterday we trained part of the session with a dry high to adapt to feel it, and after we went to another with normal one. It's a massive difference. Massive. It's another game. You have to adapt. Listen, in 10 years, 6, 7, 8 years we are here, we play many times, a few times in that, and we adapt. We have to adapt, but difference is important, so we have to adapt. It's only what I said. It's just to feel it, and it's what you have to do.
Yes, I know I am some manager and added to Jancho Second Biasono. One year said a bay and nano promote me adapting to Fulham, our Tasua, one bet me a ball, Fulham, Emma Pitch, and I dry a Man City, and so I am ready and I update Abba manager will say Nipabako will inspire the career panel. I had the great Michael Jordan. Was it Anomza said Diana Michael Jordan? I say, hey, Satano Barcelona, what you so our match no means, what that we can come and change to gears and I draw a big Jim from Ninamasa. Not just one was so I watch Michael Jordan. Not to say, Nipple Baku, basketball, bosses, our skill. I want your mouth drop our brand Nipple Bako, Newman winning our quality in one person and one power. Yentie Managerial.
When he was playing 90s, I wake up at 3, 4 a.m. in Barcelona, and my wife is sleeping and watching the TV because I had the feeling that never ever I will see this charisma, this competitor, this talent, skills player, and all in one person, to lead to win many championships. So I had the feeling like Tiger Woods, for example, or Nadal, Federer, Djokovic, this kind of athlete that is, oh my God, so all this package in one person to do what they do, I don't know, we're going to see it again. So that's why I don't want to miss it. One game of him, like when Tiger plays.
Yes, not just Michael Jordan inspire no sounds now go far. I Tiger Woods and say, oh, me say 1 second, oh, me say 1 moment, who BM Archers, one more patches, one more, and so inspire the carrier, mammy, a opposite number. Adama Michael Arteta, Ayo Right, Fancy, every 10 hack. Now, watch now, move on, some more, you put bonnie, a damn ball. Now, every 10 hack, never say, Momony Arsenal, and upon your beyond saying, and Manchester United, room, our Sama anymore. Yentie 10 hack, our promo ball at the Arsenal.
You do always, so I don't take big risks with players now to win on Sunday, and with the risk they drop out again. But I think it's not so different in a normal situation if you didn't have that cup final. One of the best teams, or probably the best team, you can discuss about this. Is City the best team, or is Arsenal at this moment the best team? Very ball secure, very good structures. We have to play.
Yes, I know I am Manchester United manager Eric Gaffey. Yabusana said, what and I saw priority air Janya. Nyamian watching a game against Arsenal. And I said, I will join FA Cup final game at Manchester Derby. Because our Wembley no was so I watch again. I'm soon that you know, Tikwa, a whole Anna Man City game. It was also Jim. Would you team manager Ten Hag?
Both, but we always go in a game to win. And not preparing for next game, and of course it is in my back head. But we want to put out a team what is competitive for Sunday, a team what is eager to win, and we
yes, me that say and no nti young cross play na fe yen find Mbappé ne pass and send na fe aye Real Madrid then send nyina so from rise say German say can after send recover last minute Alaves restore parity Emma Gironya and so about drawing na yes say Barca local room they say wallahi on beto so mienu yes no Barca players we there aye opportunity pa na dwen ho kakra bi and so adema Barca because Ankano Gironya enya win and kabe ha dwen enti Barca for say wo mu gidi etrom say kwam bia so no I was say omoto so mienu and some all La Liga table no so na say na Barca say besi akoye say wo ma catch Rafinha say oye na dwen so betena Barcelona next season a on shele enya ball ni bi mo enti Rafinha de be ye amano ene de be hia eye pa no so be free club a ye fa no say Barcelona akọ essence wotena wo be konchenchen wotena obeta tena bench Barca foni abre wo ma so omo sesa omo squad no say de be nyame ya doma next season omo so betimi ya compete na omo so omo ton Rafinha na omo de Rafinha sika no ekofa akoda na medical kana asem say ye fa no Nico Williams enso aba Nico Williams obe bawo wonu sika no chese sika no omo de Rafinha jebe kofa akoda we enso adena ba João Felix and chese yo Cancelo omo mienu no Barca for say omo mpe na tieniye nyese bia omo mpe so omo mpe bia mu sika de omo ntimi ntware fa na ne mom se omo besa ma boys mienu aba be loan e dia and you bet yes, my boys, me new Samba BM. You Cancelo João Felix, some million, Barca Serpent on loan. I say, baby, transfer market now, Montema, Bowen and Chenche, one bet this car Tomo Party, and yet, yes, Sadiano, and some bet yes, Samanoka say, yes, in the picking order, João Felix, our throw, and some Ansu Fati, and the Ansu Fati, no, that's so called Brightener. No news about me as well, and you could not mission number 10. I be the next Leo Messi, the next Barca for 9, I am out that way. And I can't be okay to Dibabi and I'm messing up by number 10 when in Bob Wana Kranko to get ever seen there. Lami Yamas, yes, Munyabo Trama Codano. As I say, yes, and Omu Reti Joe Felix at chain. I could not find Ansu Fatia and no update about 170 nano. Yet the Emir for Mammy Real Madrid, Dominam Cramo, and some Granada, and a squadron Metesa Hosalinum and Ada Gulash, Amabastate, Real Madrid Timono, and Nimubo, a Chirabo. Enchemu bo ase bidie ka ofa ni mu aboy wudina chi aboy enchemu aboy enti amfa no changes a manager ye fa no se talent lot ebe ni nyina no we som aye squad ebe hu shak ma time na wo mo som rom airport connect and some akọ Real Madrid and so akọ Granada and some akọ bo omu game no na eno an ye hu se Mbappé awia no what the video about na me so video no yes so omu free mu Tuesday no Champions League omu free mu Tuesday wo free mu Tuesday no and on record day. What am I say? It's Wednesday crasem. Not just over posting enra. Nesem utum say no credit baby. Na Jamian sa ukaya. Then I'm training and I am Monday a day before we game. And I'm a catch out sir. Me unso reference say Sheikh Nasser Al Khelaifi and some Poisi. Alcohol boys in the training. Say yes Mbappé ya so be dodge man ampa. When any say enhia sanka bia owura no so ofa na bia ofa no betimi ahia pe no apeba bia aswewe owura no wa ya na nhia de kokobọ match ni wie and Mbappé ade video we and some ade aba abonten na Jamense kan nyina no so already no medical ya betu dwa eno ashak ma metam okọ aye pack the plans announcement no buy no supporters ultras na ekotwen no and so almost stadium omokoye barbecue eti Mbappé nie esan Mbappé ana I dread no abusuafo ni bi kan was sign autograph some supporters no and no obi say hey Marco Verratti be some be 10 years wanyamo bone da ewi akire na mo ultras mu dinatam e de sabi ne maami nyina e ma no Mbappé abon fianso wonya hu ene de more generous ultras ne bom tasa enro omu twa adwum nyina ma no we aye barbecue session no ya totonam kakram e da wo twi se na wo winam yi wo stick aha wo rena mi na wo boka krafa ho a chese no on supporters no as on the DJ nyina ho masa eno aye feast a chese we ye kwan supporters no fa so a wo mu jai Mbappé and some akwa eno our part the France ho na Jamense kan say boy no Yes, nyame admo chena wamos adini tifo na chese bana kase pa enso Ababa Stadium ho na report am nsa kan nyina say ukai Bigente Lizarazu masa o say em say enioma push akora no kwa kwan a Luis Enrique edi akora no fa so ebi anka akora no kwa betimi asesa na adwen enti say koba so mo film na no ye ana record video ne dia e chese na bani nyambeki am the mind say wobekọ Madrid ayo treatment and manager ye fan Luis Enrique edman ntina ma dano and some acquire video sansa meno kasai say enfa koda yi mod night was some de oba night ye can be bia wunti wa bunua gu asum ama say dia men say kan nyina nsa no a wa catch your ultras ne say odom nyina say nyoma mayama no omom good luck na dachi bia e bia ombesen hia biem enom aye message akoda na ye fan say Mbappé and so adama chess ultras enra na omom some our stadium enra time o kon shark fa no so mame wo the fire flares and smoke and it just omo ye japa and some na koja Mbappé on ye where time and chance we free aye venue ho and some akọ e wa by for we ne supporters nam amana kwa ba John Foul so amanyoma nyina so kwa kama Mbappé yes Real Madrid for no se nyame ya adoma the month of aye June first week of June and on person boy no one more part no hontuma say Madrid and obekọ dia any first week of June on my part no hontuma Jesse Bain and Mbappé ebehye no say my band story that say number 10 dey so share 10 our France and to abaso the 10 band the brand Luka Modric answer the share 10 and to betimi ahwanyam anim no aka agent so pani Jesse ni mamiye say Luka Modric dey before some be studio no na nkomo dey say o stadia and Jesse Mbappé kofa Benzema 9 no Wokodia Mbappé benya 10 me baba studio na dia me say kan say yes bema no em say Luka Modric o menya jane kwan sele sigi ka ko Modric eti ekeka enti number 10 ebe vacant say me be atwa me dia atutu eba bra Mbappé ebe fa number 10 sika ne de say me be cast on Jenchen Bellingham on Jenchen Vinicius Junior mom yes e be che omo kakra bi aye just over Bellingham sika aye just over Vinicius Junior Sika. I just saw them and I just guess our dressing room. I know I updated but I want something no ya de for players and say and enyan susan so boni bia wo so enya honom do mo focus so come focus our Champions League final no so enya ho Mbappé announcement almost ba amama na kwaba na Fernando be anywhere what an attention eko Mbappé e dia no so yem fancy na fe shark ya meto aso
toute la gloire et les erreurs que j'ai pu faire. Je voudrais remercier tout d'abord
today than a couple nights ago. Great, yes, we were running better, rebounding better, we were kind of aggressive, getting guys open, making shots, creating open looks.
L'ensemble des gens au club, ceux que les gens voient pas, les gens de l'ombre, que ce soit les kinés, les intendants, les gens de la performance, tous les gens dans les bureaux, campus, tout le monde. Parce que voilà, il y a des personnes qui sont formidables, qui donnent tout pour le club et elles méritent.
Still live on Sompa TV, live on Sompa 93.1 FM, and of course live on Facebook and live on your radio. Mike, na on where there?
Fancy nyame adom na so.
Oh, nyame adom. Chendra.
Sa, ya da nyame ase.
Chendra.
Owo nkwankwan ade. Akomoden ni ahoden no kakrakra ebegu so na ba.
Very necessary pa. Jason so ball pa.
Brazil.
Ball
pa. Asa nka me Brazil ni.
Oh, what's Brazil for no cry.
Na minim de ntia.
I'm to Copacabana beach one.
Nanke FM Santos Armando.
Okay, to say Romano no.
Men Casano. Enti Santos Armando. Na beya sare bodi no.
O de disposable caps are share o bag. Anya ba ko na nyemi no caps no full caps. O de a show bag so obi the tea bag no matter what. O de ye be free bra o say akwadro benya no na me so okay.
I dey go okay to okay. First before Besha say no mame efa akwanya we so one of our ardent listeners on fire show name Fendi Agro Kra or Faude Openyi Frank Akwesi Adai and ne birthday enti yen you see this opportunity na yen wish no a happy birthday papa penyi pa but on see from Kra
odikeso ni dinsu ana
oze
odikeso ni dinsu
debi boga ba ko pe
okay because Akwesi Adai ne body ana say
debi odikeso boga ba
ya wish na wada pa
Akwesi Ora Frank akwesi adai on fire show ne mfendi agro krenti baby o will be end us show no ti ya wish no happy birthday nyankopon sha no onya ne kese na mfie no so onfa bi enka ne mfie ho na chese insha no so enguso na enkoso emfama no nti ye wish you happy birthday Mr. Frank nyankopon insha said that so support here now too Enra breast ball game and I want heavy.
Oh, say Brazil and San Koya.
Yeah.
Say last week na yen what you man.
Last week or last 2 weeks?
No, last week.
Last week.
Yeah.
And then I make a chow say without Brazil, breast is nothing. And come out for later that I can breast team no come out for left flat. Katiagu because baby a Brazil goes na abua peja breast akwa kodini. See so mu gina so Lilian Brazil and that's no fantastic player.
Well, breaking news. Cecilia. I'm say now France President His Excellency Emmanuel Macron. Yes say clubs now French Emmanuel Hono ya release boys Olympic Games. But you see the runners in the P. What club din or say we are counting on Real Madrid to let Mbappé participate in the Olympic Games.
Yeah, so we didn't come.
But before stories and but no more club will be again. But now they also more money out to Real Madrid for so.
Yeah.
It means I Madrid and all.
Mbappé is a huge figure, political figure, of course. Yeah, but me Bolilian Brazil, but what say at the end? You see, you will need to really understand the impact of Brazil, our breast team name, and say what they are making us. You will not understand if you take it lightly. One, Enra go no share no. I'm maintaining your more position in the last qualification slot for the Champions League. Brest is not a clubber or what the reputation and the legacy are. The Champions League. But due to Lilian Brazil and it goes no channel, Brazil goes no a keepy Brest on top. See so mujina so. And it's fantastic. So I am repeating, without Brazil, Brest is nothing. Brest will fall. So Brazil goes na ma ka Brest atiagu. Can you imagine semu?
As a Brazilian support.
Oh, Brazil support your papa. Was support your papa. He is a constant supporter for the Brest. And the Brest team has remained firm and solid because of Brazil.
I'm say Brazil na be on my quarter road na dase.
Next time na ya so Brazil need to me penny. You see, once that Brest have gone through a lot. Sikasem aha Brest. Yeah, weather conditions they are here. Aha Brest. Now Brazil adjudge ne say emra no wo ho see a kind of more Lilian essay or the Brazil no edge Brest. Oh, beautiful. I love stories like that. A beautiful football story and the inspiration. Be like Brazil.
So Brest are on top due to Brazil's impact.
Exactly.
Oh, okay.
Be like Brazil. Support Brest. Just be like Brazil. Support Brest. Because without Brazil, I'm repeating, Brest is nothing.
Sompa Sports.
He's done very well.
So report and eba say ebia Brest born the final games and Brest. Imagine Brest without Brazil.
We can't imagine. We cannot imagine Brest without Brazil. We can't. So Lilian Brazil ya paucho season e ban away ya for qualify for Champions League but menko because yen to mean the Brest home come without Brazil. We can't. We cannot do that. We can't. Honestly, we can't. Fancy yen to me yes adieneda. See a deep Brest home come Brest they bought Champions League or bought Manchester on the chest of a man. Brest versus Manchester. Na ye need Brazil wom. Can you imagine this? Manchester chest no
Sompa Sports.
Na Brest team ne ball without Brazil. And combination effort. We can't do that. Inti that Brazil as I said that no ama ye di Brest and come now come on one year they started from France. You see Mbappé na be a political figure. Difficult to talk in simple terms. Who din commodity afa Mbappé ho na who din trasa obey mistake. He is not just a football player. He has become an icon and an embodiment of a true France national while rises to superstardom. Me ha meninka Zidane, Monet, Benzema, Mono, they wielded a certain amount of power. But Mbappé there now when you of late ni influence or one. Eh born ni impact ne there's a dan mo yesay no. Thierry Henry mo yesay no. But baby akoda way etimi di nkomoko. Omo ni omo tena se tupunu edidi no. Fancy so
serious.
Ne home komo no enya trasa.
He's serious.
And for the French Prime Minister Anna France Mampagny to come out and then say this, even when official announcement in by so Real Madrid no, it tells you nkoma akwetre Anna akoso in the backstage to get this boy to represent the Olympic Games. One, they needed him to stay so that Ebe be fit and say Abra Kata, omoye owners of Paris Saint-Germain, omo hosti World Cup no, they produce one of their players, and the most remarkable one is say 2 players or more a star in the final no me in a Qatari owned club, which is Paris Saint-Germain, Messi and Mbappé. Back on the J. So a victory the moment, and they needed to satisfy that. And until the contract renewal no, some penifoni in a beam say renew. The second one was to get Mbappé to front PSG and represent France at the Olympic Games. This time around, and no materialize it, but they want to see it. Say Mbappé no will be representing France at the Olympic Games, and then probably Obeji Gold so their mom.
Sompa Sports
Of the France under-23 team. He will love Mbappé to be part.
Yeah.
Born Ankasa Obebua, he will improve them. Then in Monyam so about Thai Olympic Games, men's football event, and also was through. So clearly he's somebody they actually need. And they are playing all their cards well. Now a free Qatar for Ninsem. And Mbappé or PSG Ankawe in Kenya Nkoma Ebedi. So Obebo Olympic Games na number. But he's moving to Madrid. And Madrid no a different institution and it is run differently.
Yeah.
But I am eager to see the amount of influence that the French government will use to convince Madrid to agree. Madrid are under no obligation to bow to the demands of France for say and Mbappé a boy manembo omo pen omo because FIFA does not mandate clubs to release players for the Olympic Games football event. But the TN say in cases like this, in Koma ye bedini the scheming behind the scenes no, and no ye deeper than the yehu in terms of communication. Fancy and Treso said the French government might make certain promises to Madrid to just to get Mbappé. They need him on the field of play. They need him off the field of play. The buzz that will be generated for the football event in Memadiano with Mbappé in the France team.
Sompa Sports.
And the commercial success alone, the kind of pool, and also the kind of people who will be interested in Sadiano Ebebuapa. So let's see how this game of cards ebeko. See, the French government have played omo card back. Madrid is smart in this political business. They will also play this. If they are losing Mbappé to France, they will gain something. I'm repeating. So Madrid lose Mbappé to France for the Olympic Games. They will want to get something in return.
I base me idea.
Oh, French government still have ties with Qatar. It could be any form. Sikasemu, whatever. Never rule it out.
Say be a backdoor settlement.
Let's say never rule it out. For Madrid to lose Mbappé for the Olympic Games, something has got to give. And Sadiano, it will be to the benefit of Madrid. They will not just lose Mbappé for nothing. Omonye club omonye Sadiano. They are getting Mbappé for more own commercial deals, successes. And the preseason time at the Olympic Games is the best time to cash in on Mbappe's arrival. So that time to the Olympic Games. Madrid will not allow that to slide. It could be something they gain from immediately, or a relationship they solidify, and as a relationship they establish, and then
Sompa Sports
in the medium term or long term. To Germany, Hansi Flick, if he's appointed, will not be a step in the right, a step forward for Bayern. Say almost fun as on by your coach. Bayern Munich will not take a step forward from where they are now. But it will be a step in the right direction.
Okay.
Me repeat. Club will be making managerial changes. Or two san amount send ye beya obekonenim. Say Bayern ko Hansi Flick ba, it will not be a step they take forward, but a step in the right direction. Yes, say Bibia bebo and kakrebia anameboa. Good. Now that's why I say so. Hansi Flick is not the ideal appointment for Bayern. And Kabibia de Danakwemua. I don't think he will have even ranked number 4 or more less than so. He's not somebody they looked up to. One, it is because Hansi Flick, after leaving Bayern, on crown itself in much glory, it was a disastrous spell. It was Germany. And a lot of things were revealed during Amazon 4-year documentary, Be All or Nothing, on Germany, Qatar World Cup participation. No, it exposed this man big time.
They're not Joshua Kenrick more common.
Yeah, exposing it big time. Even Julian Brandt, Monet, Bella Kochop, Monkolan Korano, they were flouting camp rules with a year with impunity. Nyoma Bazaar. It shows this man lacked authority and control over the German squad. It exposed the managerial inefficiencies and the inexperience at that level. Because when on your head coach or manager for a club and Embro 5 years ground, so he lacks that experience. The Bayern bet or Beshemu when Niko Kovac had been sacked, and a man it was 1.5 years. And to Wayno, he barely has more than 3 years experience managing a top club and a German national team nearby. He had an institutional memory of a German national team because no assistant to Joachim Löw. But say you made the nankasa shenen sano. So would na daminechi any wo to damina a different.
Yeah.
So when he got the job, he embarrassed himself and a damaging a reputation. Nobody really wants him. I don't not all turn a whole true agent say he's available, he wants a job. Barca did not look in his direction. Not even clubs of more England to say West Ham have looked his direction. So the Bayern bet an opportunity for him again to redeem lost reputation or lost image. So a good at the man. Now the media maker say a step in the right direction is a fancy. Bayern appointment are not opening and none of them were perfect. Nagelsmann a top tactician. Nelson one Alonso a top tactician. Nelson one Weinbium, Ralf Rangnick, top tactician. The godfather of the modern day German football coach in the end. So every coaching appointment Bayern would have made had an asterisk attached to that name. Hansi Flick, Nenso one. But the boy Hansi Flick, he left this squad Bayern team no more. Bayern 70% of them played under him. He knows them, and then he has that thing in him. A Juma Bayern Ebabe Sisi, and yeah, Juma, they are coming to do a revolution sort of say, and we are in the next 1 year or 2 years. Almost say BBR no much as for no. They are transiting or more transition from a particular stage to another, and it may take it time. During the transitional stage, obia obe manage Emma BBI calm. Then obi oba obebu BBI go. And Tianfan say a dying SEO, a dino. Amount for team, they are occupants. You need to demolish the building to start a new building. Then now be occupants no own 50 pre-confire ejection notice in my boss and OBN2. You negotiate with them, you talk to them, you appeal to them. After more multi dining TRCR, then they leave. But based on terms and agreements, Hansi Flick is perfect for that transitional period. Adia bakwe one who are man management. Bayern team now have had issues between coach and player. Tuchel, players, maybe. Even some of the players have had issues with Tuchel, assistant coach. It means that dressing room ho engo. You need somebody to come and bond them together. And similar to a Juma Hansi Flick here under Niko Kovac. Kovac so had issues with players. When Flick Bayern, he mended broken relationship. Then he ameliorated the situation in Toma BBI calm. Say Jumani Nebe here so obey. So even if Bayern are not getting a more top target now, they are getting somebody to bring calm once again into the dressing room. That's why I say a step in the right direction. Then help the transition process under Christoph Friend and Max Ebel. Into Moye Jumani we are. Then Bayern can look at who becomes the next right manager to take them forward. So Hansi Flick will not take them forward. But it is still a step in the right direction to calm waters and then eventually look at what we can do now to salvage a situation and plan for the future.
Okay.
And then the mementias here of flick appointment. And yes, a buy and for one bomb also, but there is still a meaning to where appointment now or more pursue. Como I qualify Airbus Serie A is impressive.
Yes, after 21 years.
Exactly, 2002, 2003. Nigeria Champions League, ne AC Milan. And now Pia money or more final. AC Milan Juventus penalties are yeah they show more corner. Now
Sompa Sports
storyline. There is a Ghanaian way we move. Ultimately, common CCA without dissociating Ghana the other one.
Okay.
Only say Michael Essien Eriko to a club way. Como? Akosi Apuniezien.
Okay.
I got to a club way 2017. Or turn for 237,000 euros.
Whoa.
Otiemu initial 100,000. Then they had issues transferring the money and converting to euros. Now dollars. And no delay by 10-15 days. But she still bought the club. When only Akosi Apuni. Yeah, but they had issues. Once they running the club and then
better.
In a group, they had spent in excess of 1 million euros also. And they had to go to court to be declared bankrupt. And Sana currently under the new ownership, or more air running. So Como have gone through a lot. They have seen the bad, the good. They have seen the ugly moments as well. Akosia Puni time then they started to bring things on board under the Hartono brothers. More manager room, cigarettes into technology, any idea. They are very wealthy. A family line of businesses, but a cigarette conglomerate. Mechanism a chain of cigarette or tobacco businesses or more running.
George, and I'm on for
okay, George. Yeah,
cigarette, baby.
And they decided to bring experts on board. TNU.
Me too, Papa.
Talk club. Or man, say, Yenny ever run a club and they said, yeah, pet. But rather, what they decided, say, you was cano by a new dream. So we are getting experts to come and put things in place. Interestingly, Nyankopon wo kwan of us here Nioma.
Yes.
Only more by years adwumadi we nyina no. Two rivals in the Premier League. Chelsea, Arsenal. Dennis Wise, a former Chelsea captain. In fact, the second most successful Chelsea captain after John Terry.
Yeah.
Then Henry Fabregas. So Dennis Wise was acting as a consultant and also chairman of the club. Then on the Fabregas din komo say, I will want you to come and play for this club, but then Bebo club now. The club becomes part of you. Now you become also a part of the club and to Obeboa the club in your rise to the top.
Yeah.
So Fabregas was first brought on board as a player.
Oh boy.
August 2022.
Player manager.
Or retire, Then he's transitioned into coaching. But he's a shareholder of his club. Or Thierry Henry. Dennis Wise and in Como. The same in Como now. Henry then in your coaching. But he's a direct investor as a shareholder. And Henry and Fabregas from Arsenal. Then Dennis Wise from Chelsea. And Abeka Bumwa. They have propelled Como from the doldrums of Italian football to the top of Italian football. And this has taken less than 4 years to manifest. Football people with football brains. What they did was, first, the stability, beba. The club was unstable.
Sompa Sports.
So they needed a stable plan to run this particular club. And then the vision was, okay, then from Serie B, let's target Serie A. There need to be changes. Changes, Fabregas cannot be the coach now. But he's a coach de facto. On the coach BBR.
But only license.
Exactly.
I said, Johnson Smith.
Yeah. And Fabregas, any license, he's still doing his way, Then the Ocean Roberts and the buy. Ocean Roberts was part of the Wales team. Euro 2016 wonders with Chris Coleman.
Yeah.
On the sounds of quiet Morocco bar. A year World Cup on Bayern idea. He was a technical director.
Wow.
On a Patrick Vera ye Juma Payne. Ewa Crystal Palace. Kisika Kuno Club no. Crystal Palace. Enti Omaye Juma Amotiasia. So he's the one fronting, supporting. Saosia Robert Croyano. On the chair Mikel Arteta idea, Ewa coaching class.
Wow.
On the chair Fabregas idea, Ewa coaching class. And Unim Nipo introduce Ocean Roberts to Thierry Henry. Henry in the fan of Juma. Marcel Desailly. If you ask way, don't lose relationships.
Ocean Roberts.
Good. Ocean Robert etre Desai adie ewo coaching class. Then the two became close. Now Desai bepe Ocean Robert asem. Now after Bayer 10 years, Desai recommended Ocean Robert for this particular job. He's their head of development, Obwa Emmanuel Akwankandia Momo. Como is a small town. Omu population crew 100,000. Omu stadium size embro 7,000. But they are using football to push Como, Omu province, to the rest of the world through their tourism. In Sione, that stadium, Lake Como.
Okay.
The various tourist sites now and no ewo Como hono. Omoba ensio we dodo anti ana dodo na eba
as a tourist attraction.
Enti ewo Ekuku Dam stars Hollywood A-listers said George Clooney.
Sompa Sports.
Ekuro we yanka say use their James Bond movies ni bebre.
Okay.
But omo to me in town krone send your omo penti. They want to use football to sell the town through tourism. Stadium way unim the replica of Ghana. Pseudo Robert Mensah Park.
Wow.
Good. Then that one. There's a lagoon, Cape Coast. Cape Coast here doing.
Nah.
Cape Coast. Oh, you can't Cape Coast here doing. A tourism hub. True of course. Good. What Como or more yeno? It will not be different from Cape Coast if we had visionary leadership.
And Robert Mensah so na yini dechire no so ni dechire.
Yeah, lagoon dechire you betimi aye nyoma bebre was. And fancy me how many nkanche wa. Cape Coast has a lot to offer in terms of history, culture, tourism than the province of Como in Italy. But Omono, they've had visionary leadership and they are pursuing that. And at the end, the Robert Mensah and the Jaisa Emperor entity. And that is why we are where we are. So the difference between any Abrofono fancy the sheer will and commitment and also vision. We won't commit to this. Yeah, planning Bibisa, yeah, dream Bibisa.
Sompa Sports.
Stadium and do 10,000 gra.
Now Robert Mensah Stadium now what here?
Oh, I will. How do I ask Bobo?
Sport be no anymore. I say pub will be well anymore. I say we do one uncle for Joe money. Oh, me cry Muslim, me cry me talk with na pone wo.
No to toy minerals bia.
Some say an kakra we. Enti Muslim say be ho sana.
On Belinda.
I was say an.
Rita say be fine.
Na me adum fancy.
Okay, enti wo foreign enti.
Fancy, what can be about Erling Haaland? Say Ura studio na Man City confirm say early kickoff.
Yeah, obe start.
Obe chance yeah. Now he's a player. Ebeka say o Ramwo and omuni Fulham no. Ujana na so and when Fulham ye pa.
Okay.
Because so far 3 Premier League games wa boy tia omo no. Wa 5 goals and tia omo. This season, 2nd September 2023, and Fulham bar Etihad. City twa omo 5-1. 5-1 sa game no hat-trick. But sa 3 games wa boy tia bia so no ni goals ni bia so ya penalty bam. And the Asian Buama Pep Guardiola o GDS say ne game no so den chance and say na so say na go drought to be akano.
Yeah.
But last game against Wolves when ya 4 goals. And all this goals no call West London in there. Until say if all things been equal, Man City games are the last 15 games from body at Fulham in all competitions. City are winning na. City are winning na.
Obi best stop City from winning the Premier League and
Fulham. Per almost statistics, per almost records at stake, per almost current form. The last 7 games are Fulham, I think so winning just 1. And after the last 6 games are Team says City also when you win. And to the compare, now we just say baby City da, any baby ambition or any the opposite warrior. Game all corner who be here say automatically or then a striker when you're Fulham with Team Shaw at least 1 yard there and 1 goal there with Team Sheditia or more.
What not to cut you, but City 11 against Fulham, 11:30 kickoff or Craven Cottage. Man City goalkeeper Ederson Moraes in post. Manuel Akanji, Ruben Diaz, Nathan Ake Josko Valdio, actually Rodri and Mateo Kovacic. Kevin De Bruyne, Bernardo Silva, Erling Haaland, Phil Foden, Maza. ɛno mbɛtumi ahyɛ nkɔfo bɛ 8
sɛ adentina wo kasa so mbɛtumi early kick off because
ɛno nso na ehu no
when me can say sa Erling Haaland na kan asemi sa game crowd boti omo in September share hat trick no wonya only 17 touches
no the ball hat trick
or the ball hat trick only 17 touches entine if all things be niko no wonya more touches football there eya na yan kan sa
that's right
but bibia betimi asi ena football lineup no Pep Guardiola one of the managers season bia na the squad bia no players or do miracles wohwe ni days for Barcelona Ombobola said ye hu Busquets but one a destroyer one a distributor Rodri Man City oba foforo na Kevin De Bruyne o ginam na o set up passes ne kwa assist kwa so betima set by 3 eye day ombetimi aye de ahyebi but na Rodri Pep Guardiola ne press conference wa ye no yenti do kafa Rodri wo say during omu days na onu jane na so one craft time Barcelona no so no Pep Guardiola wo ho na Rodri wo ho nkomion yenti do say one craft be choose no.
Rodri wasn't included in the Premier League Player of the Season shortlist, which took me by surprise at least. Do you think he's maybe underappreciated by people that aren't City fans?
I will have the opinion that the holding midfielder should be 100% is not the fan, it's not the word. It's, holding midfielder has to be like behind the scenes. Strikers, wingers, and people up front. He has no doubt how the appreciation have in the English football, in the team, and whatever. So I would not say they're all nominated. Are unfair to be there, and of course could be Rodri and could be another excellent players have been there. So he knows how good he is, and we know how important an excellent player has become.
So what? Or say, you want craft time of Barcelona? No people. Say Rodri by then, and you want craft they choose Rodri ahead of.
Bench
because pen qualities or what? On says Man City Bobona, one round shadow who bones out. But Germany assignment Pep the Beman on Bon Sampa. Oh, yeah, Germany yipa. I'm a Bia Kama. Na, what sha? Asna, Sagamane, Fulham Man City Bono. Asna are taking motivation, do ma, or more GD send the Fulham's with me cause a surprise.
Oh,
because this season of Craven Cottage, Fulham a share Asna Asha Tottenham so ho. And Tomfi say, Sasana Bakwadia, or more bo against that teams like a Senibia, almost more than it. And tis a net a Cobas and Kabia game them run away. Now Quack 2 and B in favor. A Fulama. Nankasna so the Chinano. Nanka Quack be Papa dia Momo. I'm a be a sweat my fine. At the moment.
When you ask now for Nana.
Oh, that no
City for there, me to ask you, Luta City for no. Bet me lose you to Fulham, Craven Cottage, bet me a draw. But City now so more, so more the Abano, because one manager, the manager in question, I can ask me Pep Guardiola. And Pep Nagasan so kind of pain send a boys with so more per title a problem a mad opponent aka. You see, what Wolves no when was a match but one man for say very tricky Wolves a game no. As so simple.
Simple.
And they can early kick off.
Say early kick off and about a title race between on Arsenal.
Yeah.
Arsenal about 36 games or not 35 games. Arsenal leading with a point. And now Katu said the Adina Koye. Say Mikel Arteta psychologically. Only the boys na the term said the Omuji League no cry plan how on be parody. So Omujia celebration be first one. But Yabusa o Reverend Pep Guardiola say Pep way. Sa game way who analyze the game ni say. Who ko win ni say. Asemwa Pep e kan ye no. So you Arsenal supporter or so mo yam show. You the yintie what say if say omu lose a Arsenal be day.
Title race with Arsenal. How do you see it?
We have to go to. Now we're going to lunch. We're going to travel to London and play the game and win the game. We know exactly what you have to do. It's not what happened if. No, it's win. We have to extend the chance to win it. We don't win, Arsenal will be champion. So it's not much difficult to analyze or to understand.
Is that
So what I say? When you have to analyze your team,
if I say
more, say onim say no lusu a Arsenal champions.
Yeah.
Enti ne game no what the weapons na accoutrement nyina and what ko rasa game we mo. Oh, and we also say Mikel Arteta your boy. Nka ebe ya dey say o be feeling so proud. Arteta be feeling so proud. Oh say every crowd Pep na kire madwuma. Pep na kire madwuma.
So Bob akosha Arteta.
Ah mukro ya so say Pep sama me ba obetema say. Mukro ya so say manager we say Pep Emma Arteta ja mukro ambesa aka so. Ana kra na bo the master.
Oh David.
Momu ngasa. Okode ma Pep nyi ojiwi ana si na maji.
Yeah, Arsenal be kan kra say oh Arteta usua de ye ne master na kire na de ye am na tima kwaye sohwe timi apase nti nkoro be feel so proud
ye de ta kire ne ye mu
nti the game bia
amfa
but mami ngrom so Arsenal de Manchester United de no so kakra game bia be to dwa kina Arsenal nya bibi nwanwa so na Arsenal ye o yes where determination exists failure cannot dismantle the flag of success.
That's right.
A determination Arsenal for the echo. Mame Arsenal team a togetherness. And I'm Arsenal do some pempenso way. We grab your friend who compare Mikel Arteta and Eric Ten Hag. I just say Arsenal players now exhibit we say yeah both for Mikel Arteta.
I don't know you say the moment I won't say be a teamwork no success about a true reflection of teamwork. Na yesho say be Rebecca so Odegaard na yes no so be am pass am Odegaard only
but Odegaard o can ask me o compare Odegaard ne Bruno Fernandes say Arsenal bo na Arsenal be win game no easily at the performance of another attribute o refer no Odegaard edbema say Manchester United bo na so Manchester United be nya win easily Obehwe no me be free Bruno Fernandes or Ediaba. Let's look at their statistics.
Okay.
So far this season. Se Osha me ba cho manen kosro mame. Osha so far Bruno mame sha se be obi a follow program ni bia be hunu. Ni hunu we Bruno and Odegaard. Se Osha dey say shot on target this season Odegaard was 21, Bruno was 39.
Yes, Bruno no bomb more.
Good. Non-penalty goals 6-6 and assist 7-8. Goal chances created 107 against 94. Passing accuracy 97.29 against 86.89. True balls 39.29. Passes completed opposition half no where 1037 against 1127. Tackles made 46 against 66. Take-ons completed 19 and away 35. Fouls won 26-35. Ball recoveries 193, 151. Now me patcho mamia another statistics and also na me nchoma de. Enye most chances created. Fernandes 108, Odegaard 94. Most open play chances created. Odegaard 81, Fernandes 72. And the most passes into penalty area 176 for Odegaard, Fernandes 149 and most true balls 39-29.
Yes, I Odegaard no. This, but I did back also say as also Obo Fernandes Bruno so I say chances created.
Yes.
So means a man you have for now squander chances no more.
Bruno ni buga more. No Odegaard no the ball ne to form the na dwen bobo ne more. One can pass anyway no the to so
one thing about
agenda mind.
One thing about this game is say fancy that game was so be Fikesema a both team to score.
Ochina. Aye. Man you be she go at Arsenal.
Man you so share omo last game sir. Yemfa Man you. Na me share omo last
akumya meza about Facebook no so say man like Luther no the five emojis best 70,000 go as amount.
Aye. So o check Manchester United. Omo last 3 games so mabono. So o check here the last 2 games so maboni fie ne de. Omo win 1. And Oma draw 1.
Okay.
So share Omoni Sheffield United. Omo winning 4-2. And Omoni Burnley. Omo ball 1-1. Ewo fie. And tifie there omo concede fie.
Okay.
And I share Arsenal so attacking na. Osha Manchester United the last 5 games so omo say just 10 goals. I conceded 12.
Serious.
And I share Arsenal. What the comparison last 2 away games Arsenal ba. Arsenal so no etimi share Arsenal ko
Sompa Sports.
Tottenham Hotspur so akọ born 3-2. Arsenal wo hwɛ yawe since Bayern Munich Champions League was Arsenal 1. Efro Arsenal unini sha 1 soccer 2 obetuma nti wo check here Arsenal home away was Manchester United ono so ose enti am say both team to score but that day Arsenal the rate of Arsenal conceding our form as compared to Manchester United.
Okay.
Because Manchester United the last 5 games that was 10 I conceded 12. Now Arsenal as the last 5 games almost 13 goals I conceded just 3. That's the Arsenal defense in a back conceding now no form so compact as compared to Manchester United.
Okay.
And until I'm casting both team to score no. And yet there Arsenal Old Trafford there. Old Trafford but Arsenal be winning comfortably.
Oh,
Arsenal be winning. Because looking at the lineup of Manchester United, on say omu defender na Aba Martinez
Lisandro.
but na ko press obebo but Eric Ten Hag say unrational.
Yeah.
And there's also you benya Onana, Diogo Dalot, Casemiro, Evans, Wan-Bissaka, Menu, Scott McTominay and Bruno Nana omo suspect but and they were able to train with the team until likely some be say Ghana to na Rashford. Now Arsenal so the Arsenal dey kwa now Arsenal got problem between Martinelli and Gabriel Jesus because boys in na they are on form and Obia so per starting lineup no and Obia so Dinamo person prove a point Adima Mikel Arteta and this the time Arsenal boys who say afi yo mukinako afi yo mafe afi your time e was almost settle Mikel Arteta down no mu say where the man after the supreme strategist Arsene Wenger call you know yes nya na ye de na ba obetuma be replace Arsenal team no on say you benya David Raya no one Ben White too you say Ben White typical center back but you pushing the right back no look at the kind of a juma
when you find
obo hwe emfimfim of party hwe party buy from injury buy no more Dabeka Arsenal team no positive wise I was so saying the negative aspect and what share him boy na Chelsea ntime anwusu ni no move so ye zuku one ya de no and then look at the importance of Kai Havertz goals I was now he's a finisher and uche Bukayo Saka Trossard Arsenal team and ne enyampa wuchina against Manchester United and as outna se kwana oba no humanitarian grounds ebe kogo de enkokona
okay
Manchester United for so mo politics ni ya some Manchester City
also mama
na Manchester City benya the bragging right on Manchester kronum die and cash na mo dia na Colland na I think say emfa so fancy a game be de emu be fe bibia so be kama nti Arsenal there ye bon paye say bia be fine.
Okay. Well, I'll say I feel pity for Manchester United tomorrow. I friend Fadama boy now raise you Kujo and come and say, Chairman, please tell Mickey to drop his Betway code. We waiting. Apostle we are drop a Betway code. No, last week me we said more far us. No more say Obi Cross or the Tinya 23 back open say Manchester United will win against Arsenal tomorrow. Your friend Elvis Affair and our Rick Wade. In case you missed it, Mr. Fancy, Brazil saved breast again last night. Oh, I can't watch me now. Say, me say.
Boss Murray.
Oh, okay.
Me and Kasa on say, na me footballer. Uramo Edra Agriculture. Na me ball as a center, central defender for. Na you left back in the birthday, no. DSP David Kwabna Jima. Ono ye prisons officer oko Ankafo main prisons camper ono ye agric officer ntina ne friend terrible no ono gina 3 na me gina ai na me no satani fem Luciano ntina me gina anu ya mantin we ye college me ko college no na ye Luciano aha ntina me gina 4 area bo bia untimi mfa nyame da enti na papa mapa no empire me papa papa ntimi de ntimi
abosi enti
CSP and my happy birthday
Odim say interesting thing papa be the first down They be a papa for the card
first.
No school, I'm the first power. Every father in the class one.
I don't want to say I'm foul because who school no. Teach any class. What do you want to be in future? I said pilot. I said, oh, baby, I don't know. What a cockpit anymore? I said.
A charity for the show. Fancy. A very important, sir.
Some passports.
We are saying, no, sir, we a young man. Nipa American one saying 37. We a young man. Na afina sebia brabona shase. Now to and myself very careful when some kika. Anyone number two, any enemies I'll be creating my home.
Okay.
And the long run can hunt you and hurt you. I bet me have stall progress. So Rulani Mokwena and Mbappé and Olympic. Or look, who can't coaches of African continent? Sebi Omasuya dear Nima dear that you can peg them to ABA in future. Omundu Pep Guardiola dear, but more traits. Some twaso suya dear enya butrea etutu they can get reasonably close. Rulani Mokwena.
Whoa.
This young man, very brilliant. Now, if you pay attention to the understanding the about football and tactics, because I come from a very good football home anyway, or a deep. Now, but on your careful, so I say Odinukuna or can sembia dachi ebe hano. So, Shada Mami Polokwane City any Sundance game no boy. There was an incident. There was a goal disallowed by referee Akoma Makolima. Okay. Now referee you say Oji Tumuse a go until Oko assistant Modisa Morechi ho. And now Morechi said so this now goal incident no near West say Temba Zwane FAO before he laid a pass to Peter Shaolu.
How pushy will be.
Now Nia Rolando Mokwena came after the match. He said, "Or say referees better say the South African football is in big trouble. The South African football best say, but all. Now, Mami Yanga ni Sundance match, you know. The name Mokwena on the bench. Mami Yanga and no way referee Makolimo Yoba. Mami Shadrach Yanga versus Sundance. Okay, fine. Machine is Matias. So clearly, where Stefan has this key. So you watch this goal near VR. No, this is not a goal. A goal, Nankasa. Shut up, Mami go no. Basically, referee behind the eye and a D match from Mauritania. Sorry. Now go no ball no share. Enyen is a ball no share. And then does the goal. Okoshe VR. Who was the coach of Sundance?
Yeah, Queen Rulani.
But wait there, it was a clean goal. There was nothing wrong with this goal. Yeah, we are seeing no. There was nothing wrong with it. But where them by a foul and a Peter Shauli was disallowed because of that. Though. You could say such a thing, say the South African League will be destroyed because of bad officiating. Very interesting. Now, only Morocco Swallows about ball this week. Now.
Okay.
How can you say this about the league that you are playing, the league that have made you win 2 titles, and then 63 points, leading Stellenbosch 50 points, and Orlando Pirates 49. So about 25 matches, or about 27. So you win the league anyway. Now you say this about the league as if the league is a bad one. Officiating is that bad. You don't come forward. On the Morocco Swallows ball game this week. On your red card, Musa Lebusa, your man a red card. Now, your man red card, so this is on the Morocco Swallows. Now, on the Morocco Swallows, no, there is a feud between Ono and Steve Confella.
Okay.
So,
there's a baby or that.
Steve Confella, Jitu Musa, Rolando Mokwena and more free Sanders. Don't forget, say Peter Wahono. They were there. Now on Rolando Mokwena no Sanders youth side. And Peter Koyeno and omo year appointment so omo year co-head coaches. And Mangobi Mankiti, Rolando Mokwena, any Steve Confella.
Yeah.
Then second season, Omo decided say no. Omo nye we head coach, Rolando Mokwena head coach. No munye Mangobi senior coach. No munye Steve Confella second senior coach. But ono the fellow say Sebiu we nekodi kokonsa NMA offer. Say Steve Confella say the decision to join Swallows was triggered by my circumstance as Sundowns. People who initiated the talks were Premier League Penyaza and then the club chairman David Magosha. My contract with Sundowns was 3 years plus 1, the year of an option. Now, the point is that now, the head coach Ulani Mokwena wanted his own people. You got a feeling you are not going to part of the plans going forward. Inti no Steve Confella na jia tum say we na more free. And tiene tombe shiaba biano. So this game, our ball Westfield Stadium, no, I Sanders home, no, Musa Lebusanya record. There was a drawn game, and Mokwena Koka say, now 10 men crowd to me and fancy, and now coaching who tactics, I go to name in way. And I can say, selflessness is a reward, selfishness is evil. That is, I know your response and reply from Steve Confella. Now, before this incident, but you need to be careful about. On the national team, could you go Bruce? They show about 7 more 10 national team, more players 10 in count became an issue between anyway, and because of that, it's affecting team no returning but from tournament. Who friend players don't job more affect them. And Hugo Bruce, who you are like a local Mourinho, you pretend to be a god.
Now Hugo Bruce, you don't know, yeah, so Rolando Mokwena pretends to be God. Hugo Bruce takes aim as Sundowns coach.
Now, later, Mokwena apologized, and then he's back. But you see, Mika said, "Oh, you're young. It's too young to be doing these things. You don't need this." On his side, Removic, I TS Galaxy coach. Now, Sarah Mobi, what is the issue? On the ball, Carling Cup. On the ball, Netbank, Kali, MTN top 8. So, round of 16, and now, on my board, I will say, 7 players on national team to give me cry. Say, PS, no amount of ball. And a papa say, unye proper, unye liar, you are not a proper sportsman. Now, to response, no. To response, Sarah's mom could say, or no. Ofre busia papa ma ya titi ni ye. And this all babonti crab be kasa. Sebi o kasa represent busia no. And now free team papa ma. Shadak, I don't know what I give me. Team papa ma. Team no uphold the high moral standard. No. Baza, this young man should be careful because you see.
And I don't also pay attention to say, yes, Juicy, I can't see. We can say,
but we would not attempt in a very nice and calm manner, but it's not right. We are a young coach, national team coach, your other colleague coaches, and to the Dana expansion, why were coaches happy? You don't need that. Look, we are too young. Look, you need advice around, you need prayer support, you need guidance. We are young. Oh, boss, Picho, he was not doing that. Oh, there, so I think that you're good, but on your but just the attitude, his attitude will destroy him. And Sanders, they don't care, they'll sack you. Oh, there's here. Yes. Now, almost sack you, no. Do you know where your net destination is? So on your look, he's a good guy. He doesn't know how to close out games. And then the problem Peter Cratton from Sanders from WAC game 2 years ago, and it only experience now. So for me, I think that on make sure so improve. Now, make athletics. My Diamond League course so enra. Diamond League Canada host Biana. Diamond League course so enra.
What did they host Diamond League?
No. Bajo mami come so why. Na Michael they would chair. Diamond League course so enra. Oh. Doha. Now 100 meters, man 100 meters. This girl, Darinetta, is doing very well because just last week, Suzu China, she won the 200 meters brilliantly. I mean, she on a good start, but the 40 meters to 50 and 60 meters, that's where she begin to develop powerful strides and burst her chest out with acceleration and consistency or the winning. Yeah, of course. The Usha Omo in the choir and you sir. So their cellular bands they are not the top ladies. Olympic game, you see the true top lady. But Tamara Davis is a very top girl from USA, very good at layout beating. So that's a wonderful performance because Olivia under the shadow of Dana Asha Smith. So now later Ed decided to say she'll become her own person. She's doing very well. 2 races, she's won two medals. That's fantastic. She's won the race. That's very good. Memana Femsu, in terms of the US, Kenneth Bednarek, I mean, wonderful time, 19.67. That's a very good time for him to make. Kenneth Bednarek won wonderfully against Carrie King, who was doing a Codley Lindsay. These are the future of the American sprint about Memana. But the real deal, Ronaldo Walcott. Ronaldo Walcott, so this was the race. Ronaldo Walcott, the trainer for Ellen Thompson Herald. Anna, the queen of the sprint, until she was dethroned by Ellen Thompson Herald, Shelley and Fraser Price. Now, trainer. And besides, how do you, because look, it's very rare to have such top. Glenn Mills had that. Glenn Mills had Usain Bolt and Johan Blake. Glenn Mills, he made Usain Bolt. But now, Johan Blake, unfortunately for him, Sebi any manning Droboni Nama, because look, truth be told, Sanka Johan Blake focus here on your Usain Bolt, but you will be a bit closer.
Yeah, because those times now
it started so well
on my channel.
Yeah, even race between the two are very close, very tight. So they are say very, very tight. So what is happening here is that you realize that one, the coach says that the 2 ladies are coming to the Olympic Games. Now, mommy, the video of Ellen Thompson Hera, the training video out of. Now, this is the preparation towards the Paris Olympics. Now, why are there the only woman in the history of athletics sprints to win 100 meter 2016, 100 meter 2020, 100 meter 2016, she won over Toribori, and then Shelley and Fraser Price won bronze. And then 2020, they did the treble. 2020, the win here, Shelley and Fraser Price came second, Sherika Jackson. Now, where a repeat of 2000, what they did at Beijing Olympics. Beijing Olympics, now Shelley and Fraser Price that won the gold, and then Sharon Simpson won silver, and Karen Stewart. The first time Karen Stewart and Sharon Simpson winning silver because they ran the same time 10.98. Tiama bronze. Now I see this particular Olympics, Opesoye treble 100 meters and treble 200 meters gold. So that's the warning training she sent to everybody. That Meba Paris, and as the queen of the sprint, I'm coming to win 100 meters again, 200 meters again. Don't forget, the record is in the name now, 10.61, the Tokyo Olympic record, 100 meters. Floyd Joe, 10.49, and still way back in 88%, and Floyd Joe Ukra. Now, this lady, or yet top sprinter, Ellen Thompson, top sprinter. The problem, ebe na down for no, why Shelley and Fraser Price, the training partner and friend. She always have a problem. She doesn't start well. Mm-hmm. But because of the muscle and then also her level of coordination and acceleration from the 60 meters she'll give you. See, Obia Hanu to say or training partner and then her friend, Shelley and Fraser Price. It will be the only stumbling block to whether she'll be able to do the treble in 100 meters. Already a historic. Mm-hmm. No female athlete sprinter has ever 100-meter gold and 200-meter gold to Olympics. Mm. She went to the treble. The only man who have done the treble, the only person who have done the treble is Usain Bolt. 2008, 2012, 2016.
Yeah.
So there's here. So for me, one, she's going to push her training, which she's doing already. And the 2 of them is going to be interesting. 2 friends, training partners, and then going to the track. She's 37, she's 31. And also want to win, don't forget, she's also won 2. She's won 2008, 2012. 100-meter gold in the Olympics. She wants to win the 100-meter again. So whilst Ellen Thompson also per treble in 100 and 200, she won treble in only 100.
Okay.
Because only a good 200-meter sprinter. So there's here. So it's going to be very, very interesting how, trust me, in 200 meters, only a problem. 100 meters where should be a problem. The 200 meters, the problem will be Sherika Jackson. She's a proper, true, out and out 200 meters. So Ellen Thompson's challenge, free on one compatriot. Like what they did in 2020, they will do that. I can bet you that 100 meters, they will do the treble.
Okay.
They will do it. Just say be a pramba, they will do the treble again. 200 meters, they will do a double. That's Sherika Jackson, Ellen Thompson. Because we're on here, and the 400 meter to the win the gold. Because Tamara Davis, Twanisha Terry, Alex Hope, more from America, Alex Wabnamo, they can't compete with this girl at this level. So it's going to be wonderful to watch. I only pray say injury Bemu, but if injury happens, that will be a problem. But say injury Bemu, trust me, the Jamaican ladies are going to do the wonderful 100-meter treble and 200-meter double. Maybe Abby Steiner of the US might do, or Julian Aaron Fred might do the third or 200. But 100, give it to them. 200 meters, give it to them. The Jamaican ladies are in town. The American girls, but they are not there. These girls have seen everything they have to see. Okay, somebody who I won, between the two of them, they've won 6 Olympic gold medals at 100 meter and 200 meter. That's huge. An experience. Queen and now the new queen. And they are bowing out very nicely. Fine, man. Like I would have gone to tennis. But Novak, I'll over my code. Okay.
Mr. Momo Muti Amosimo pay Betway code near the moment in Mamonje Nafe Munfanye Munioma, very necessary part because season year we answer. Or see a winning climax in
what was the last week? Maybe say one cast bet me as a show quotes and this time around you don't even need to know the team. Betway the option the aba Shadrach Masendo pictures be say obetimi aye ne fast time me anka me pepa na me pese me tre kwan code no from last week must start today generating so that you can also do it at the comfort of your home. There's why out if you offer our phone now you say ya na o heheko the swipe bet Betway swipe bet a option e wo enti swipe bet ni nie o ma me the first picture now metro baby I will call Betway interface this will be swipe bet no okay simple swipe bet into one any pansa and a wall arrow say a left and right into be a Betway swipe bet in a mass circle yellow and a red no so pay na change option the amount into a court the previous picture now options of over 10,000 and they all selected ubetimi selected best 20 matches are 20 out of 10,000
when 10
matches are 10 matches out of 10,000 no crown one train say meba Saturday na me dia brel
okay so wow team you are the obekono course look go be
simple 10,000
o fa na be 8,000 or so no afa
man uni Arsenal or say corner ebebem no 9 or more oji tuma no we mi green baby green wo
na select amount
e dey account the amount ntu be we na no compile the amount simple as select code
oh that's
we any difficult
we want generate code no tura www.betway.com.gh I am penifal grow and farm akwada oni mu hwe dum wo say dem mo yen san
yen say minim league we mu minim we Betway na
e wait me select do bia open
na ye the amount na we so bias nim na we emotions nim ye man say me Arsenal fan na Arsenal ne Man U ko but me hu ne clearly say match wey the Man U for ne be sha Arsenal na me Arsenal fan nti ma ko fa there be Arsenal double chance nti me the emotions be fra but we no emotions in kan ho so we ne better nti obetimi fan but end the na ya generate no 1,000 plus odds
okay
na say ye 10 odds ye 10 odds ni 20 odds 1,000 plus OGD ano wotwa 24 selections 9C F1 6A 8 9C
okay 9C
F1 6A 8
ana 8
ka ho nti eno ano no nti we 1,000 plus odds 24 selections match ne so mu da hot say last week the no now many J message now boy ne send say the edit to last week o twa bi no asan so ye ono ani pruning into yi bi film ana ono so twa ya ba ko pe ene say no
okay
last week the no na ye 40 something matches I think say form in say
omo high pa
nti wa wo hwemu ana we ya you could end up a millionaire. So
I'm from so scared because school fees near Jeffrey Betway for whole weekend. We are
yes, school fees in the crowd. The very name need.
Say open so call Miami no nebia imo obefa na
simple.
Airport
yare the fee. Send them a message.
So
yare pass me
yare to be travel. Wo na ye nua Sedu enso e wa ha Sedu kinda yes on and yeah you know far from T-Man Techima besen kwa Accra you could break ne ba Abu Dhabi the local news ne be bansana ya ba Sedu hona ya ba beto so nti shark ya fa commercials number sisia
na me tese wo ba no se wo kɔ Canada.
Woko suku.
Na yesi ajape aba no nso okɔ na nso no de okɔyɛ adwuma.
Me say amanfo akɔ no. Enya gro.
Jaye no ho na de won kɔ saa no.
Express Group for ya.
Express Group.
Yes, Express Group. Obia na nya bre. Pese otukwa kwa ama no ne de. Wo de obekɔ simple. If you want to study and work in abroad in any of the advanced countries like Canada, US, Australia, UK and Germany, they will take you there. Let's say a visit and now turn so Dubai, Canada, UK, USA, Australia, and Germany numa wadobeko. Say ya juma so wadobeko Dubai, Qatar, and South Korea. And if you want to write an international test like IELTS, SAT, TOEFL, GRA, and GMAT, they will assist you to write. Asafo Leba, Runabout wa, Encrying, Kanechi First Light, Tema Community 18, Lashibi Goy Filling Station, Sunyani, Silver House, our High Court, Tamale, Ayama Building, Yabe Tamale Teaching Hospital, Takrade Market Circle, and our offices, our Mabebre, so telephone 055-555-0067 and 0249-000448.
Mamisha, time HH Heba Mr. Bina Unumi, and ya what dropa, a ya draw. Yadro say mani peduan kwamwa enya hoden na akwatia yare entwen yare ansan wakwakoto fire wadro na nom no abribia Kanoga Company Limited what the time TIME ebedwaso no wono a na the time HH Heba Mr. edia bedwaso akra wonyanya mfisia dumienu enum bi wo pemfo ene oba wo ma akra nufo enso enum bi time HH Heba Mr. wo benya bi over the counter medicine sellers any shop dodo na mu se wo pedodo to afre 0244 417669 0244 417669 time HH Heba Mr. Yadro say FDA adje edwadie nkratoe atum
the ones that now from toothbrush no why and toothbrush no ninya Ashford
na ninya Ashford there na so evident no way
who that the evidence ben ninya Ashford toothbrush
oh sweetheart Ashford toothbrushes no you want different types she abena dey amoku hu Ashford Princess and now bra could do so Ashford Galaxy what dey na ira no so Ashford Evident media so Ashford Executive and now media no so Ashford Friendly
without Ashford toothbrush
my dear Ashford toothbrushes are who do dear papa moto ne to me bra dodomi ye dwane bia akwahyehe ho Ashford Prince Ashford Princess Ashford Friendly Ashford Evident Ashford Executive ne Ashford Galaxy toothbrushes Fibo Ventures na kofa bedwaso etu phone friend 0241 545 646 and 0200 600 934 Ashford toothbrushes they will soon need.
If I shall be a shot your bag.
Brad, and not so good.
What tell me about Michelle and see about Queen Wayne and say,
Brad, said your time about Mister, it's your Jimmy fearful, and not your back ever so.
Really, I know this offending now.
Brad, so make us a the time about Mr. Huadansia, we are singing now about Temenka, 87 malaria, where do any time about Mister?
I never go, dear, no matter want to meet any deal. What do any time about Mister? A drink and your ma or bar waffle through. de wo ma akoda no fo ene akoda woni mfie dumienu ansa na obeto town herbal mixture aduro ibi no hwe se wako hospital anasa lab am wo hu se wo agidi malaria ibi ansa
ayo se time me TIME time herbal mixture afi malaria fever bi adani ziba ewo mu no ebetua ubenya bi ato ewo over the counter medicine sellers any herbal shop to do na mu FDA agi edwadue nkratoi atom
ye mama kwa baba gentleman dental clinic yedwumadi ya yedi ane se yebesiesie wosen na yabo wosen ho ban ama wonum enso ate anase wosen animonyam so afa ntuma pa efura fe yesan eye cleaning services oba ye profession no mu na ye finish scaling and polishing se ebia enema bi ahyehye esen no mu se bi okasa etimi mapampan ene ade ebamu afi ebi wo so na nesen wanya messing teeth ye woni si no ahodo bebre oba gentleman dental ye ni na bi wo gentleman dental clinic ye wo koforidua central police station enchen ho na wodru enkan so a ye wo nungwa na atomic down do me kwa benya runabout no so ho na wodru takwade pipe ano traffic light na ewo pipe ano ho ye ni OGN bank na wo the same premises and a kachiman so yewo magazine market kwan so ho anase opposite AY Ahmed and na udru kumasi Abrepo junction total filling station wa traffic light na anihwe G runabout no free total filling station na yabron san na edi ho ye adwuma free eda joada kopem eda memeda.
Welcome to St. Andrews SHS. I am grade A private SHS. Yeah, SHS courses near general art, science, business, no work couple. Ever St. Andrews SHS, oh yeah, dinner ever pass. O send one teachers now. What's your window? Discipline. No first one was yati. St. Andrews, Riviera Waha, supermarket, sick bay, barber shop, swimming pool, FM station, constant water supply and electricity. Admission room condo, Eric Chanabati, Pico from say, what it jumbo from SHS 1, 2, and 3. St. Andrews SHS, what branches Riviera Wagana, Sapade Paso Asia, St. Andrews, Saboko Schoola, go school over Ama Paso Wasi one time. St. Andrews SHS.
Vodafone Ghana, Essa Ako Telecelu.
ene na brabo mu ne hiye pa enye prekese nko nuaban ne haban bi te se ko nsusu a abonwono ne dia akeka ho no kura enwanu ahodo a ekọ animu yi ankasa prekese ne sa nuaban bi nom ne akeka bobu dia fa abefo kwan so a ye dia ye prekese powder siesi ni pedua na aba akwa ahodo no ho ban afri mpani yade ne yade ahodo pi ho fa enkodate dia ma ba akọ freduane anopa ne anwumre anafa enkodate dia ma ba akọ ewo ne nsuhie yeti anopa ne anwumre wobra wadidi awie Ubenya prekese powder to King's Walk Heba, ni Heroes Heba, Accra, Okesi Drug Lane, Denny Heba, Kumasi, Mensa, Takrade, Mose Pharmacy, ni Green Light Pharmacy, Sunyane, Cash and Carry Supermarket, Asantwa Heba, near Bibidro Depot, Techiman, Sewa Heba, Mampong, Etufon Fre 0550 19 15 14. Prekese powder, Duane Sanye Drew, FD Ashusha Sankra to Muajiatum.
wo yemre na fe yemeto aso e wo fi abu e de eye local stories no e ba wi na fe ya ba enua eye sedu ho onante from Timan e be sen ko nkran ya update ni nyina na wo se de mo bia na de ba ntini nyina na be ba na fe ya ba be abu se bibia e fine de
what's the ball called now sir
nyamia do bibia e fine free me
Mate, Merasi, Yabasa Mwakaberi about Sompa 93.1 Mbeno, and also say a transfer Sakano, a Ramu Kama Pre Team Yerman and Tetem. So, yes, Shan Komonasi and Cherado and Ichima 2024 World Relay Championship. No, a course so El Bahama Simpata Magana, a Coco Kujina Konobu Jumebwa, Mania Madida Dim Pre Team Yermobekea, 4x100 no, and Yano Dona, Yabo Modena Paris 2024 Olympic Games. No, Yakona Yetimia Kwaku. Jumana munkomono NHS Mranti Koku Jamu Bujuma etimi ede maye Ibrahim Fuseni Isaac Botu Benjamin Azamati and Joseph Polamwa na nkomodi ni jezo mo na form ka niama ba community room no na chesa abana mba mambe bwana munkomono eni room open kesia obaba be room Ghana yen Alexis no ye president termo munidino ebo Fuseni we din komo acheche muzesa ansensama ebo bedeba no no kribia ni se no pimpa no bo modern nkomono ejai.
Absolutely. I led the delegation. The first, I paid accommodation in France. I paid accommodation in Bahamas. I took the tickets from Madame Dina through Saguru. I have all evidence. I have all the receipts with me. If you want, I could share it with you later in the day. So nobody found out. I don't know where the story is coming from. You can ask the athlete whether they bought the ticket themselves or any athlete paid accommodation. The ministry bought 2 tickets for each athlete. They bought tickets from their school, from him, from Baltimore to Philadelphia. School to Pennsylvania for the press release in Philadelphia. That's what they bought. The Baltimore, Pennsylvania, Baltimore for the press release. They again bought Baltimore, Baltimore.
Anti anu ye command e prepare ye friend ball for senior ball model JHS answers no onim bibia efia eba no krebia enim na momon hye ne ne mewum no no a e dance ni ball model etu anama odo na aban mu ye hwe eye boa ma yen alit no e kokudwo mana so etimi abo edwuma mfio dem bra e ma me Ramina Association Football na ye ni nkomo akra na enche ne ma dedadia wafu zombie U17 Afcon qualifier no e betimi erani Jesus edwuma di na ba ababe ram e wo Ghana oh my Ghana and your bomodi timia hosting and I'm paying for a bomodi and timetable no and a serenema BC accordereba ebabe ram to join here ukuode da yenimno and a jumadi in Japan etimi ashasia na just or one HMA 4 p.m. prepe or one HMO Legoa University Stadium on a Ghana ye bomodi biano ni any Cote d'Ivoire etimi abuini adechia na just a 3 p.m. prepe no Burkina Faso ebe jomana so no Nigeria etimi abuini ya woda krano Togo so no ebe jomana so no Niger edi abweni no so no 6 p.m. internet to so sa eboa mane madaye pa etimi edi amomonanra the Ghana Football Association President KTS Okreku ebomodi etimi etu arama no tutu no enese obomodi for the National U17 team no ewamoko ekokura mo KGL Foundation pay for masoye ozo baba be Ramo Ghana eba ne youth football no tutu under 17 no National Championship ye boy na eye football no KGL for ne bomodi so ya say ama yetimi abo edinra na just players no ekwa jama kwa bo edwumeri ama the U17 na na ho behia se ebe na yetu aramon ye ro ne omako akwa didi nkoma odo na tinra olidi team no ene mpimfo odo na momoko ekokura mo KG o maso ya presentation odo na erama ni na boa mane madeda yepa etimi edi emane odo ni chemo ewo so gakope wafa parka na just ne madeda dana kwa mu papa nyina nze the MTN Africa Cup semi final no ye bomodina match no ye ba ko efio na ochena na ye ba ko efio ramnim kramo ready a ma ye hwe wafa park na the current state no senete unzampa omesiesi o kama pa izanze obi anyo obi tournament ne de eba na eba betodwase a ya na mu edempa ni na za fi twa mu dream service na gye afi o masen akonkoni aba be romo the semi final stage a omo ese niam abeda ye pa etimi edi amomonra luta no didi nkoma odo na chechumu na senete ne game a
course no Suatreman Football Club omuni Legon Cities ene de ko akwa ni Legon Cities so wani echemo soga kopa bebi omo abom wedwa no ye for Royal Shaking City hona ne omo abom wedwa na de tie ne ze omo management ne bo omode ane omo ni players ni na akokuhia ye omo ni omo di nkomo catch omo ze omo nwe omo ho na match ne betimi awramu ne no omo ntimi wen ne mfa mo mezan zo omo ye ready zo omo nso no niema deda dian to join on Sompa TV a bebia na omo abom wedwa de ko akwako ramu game ni mu no na on ze da so ebo ama ne mako ye pere mo na nhyamu die nim no ya catch omo ze ne omo nkonkude na omo nhyensu atreman enramo the grand finale zebofo na beba dream service na beba no omo nhye omo no omo ready so omo betimi a sponsor omo na Africa no omo akwakojo omo na so etimi abo adwuma na abo ama ne ma da yie pa etimi edi ama omo ntie no Legon City so maso no enkomo no so je pene etimi ekọ so Suatreman Football Club omo so ruani chemo soga kopa ene Sun City Hotel horo omo zo abo omo adwana no pay omo form breakfast na ye be mo ahwe kakra na wa uza mpa ye mo aduane we di na ye ro koko jam na akoko toto papa so a na ajezo baba beto supporters no e wo wankaza okrum ti no uza mpa mo esi nkonya anuane no mu di no ejeze ne ma deda na kwamu pa etimi ere mo wese ne bibi abeko yera mo after we no e no mo yese wo so mo trintro mapo mu kakra e bo jege no ata mo kokodu ye ne ne ma no se de sitie no enne na game ne beko so mo train enye eji omo zamba omodin a omo trintro mapo mu kakra after say omo bomodin no peduane no ya fa etimi ere wetie no so no join ya obenya picture ni bia hwe na wa se de ne ma esi ekoye na no pe no e wo Sun City Hotel bibia Suatreman for nako akwa mo adweboa mane ma dadi ere ma me no kasa no tano bofo akwa anope no mo nso no etufa efum e wo sunyan patemu a omo de omani ko akwa chim na ya hwe ne ya tutueni na aboma bibia akoyera mo chena omo ni dream service ne begbani no ye semi final match 2 a na ano edempa emze otetete nkomodidie ne kakra na abofofo no cheze match omo ana anyeye ni na nse sika na ye de mo no ya de wo format de ka omo bono e ya de wo suye papa era omo gidi zo omo game against dream service no reporter na bobare cheze eye den a dreams be show omo edina hu ya so mbeko bi omo kaize omo league match omo ne omo boye no first round omo kokodi ncho e wo dreams aso e referee oba be di ye no ono ana second round no sign ba ne ba be mi omo osunya na ammo ama ne man ko ye ntimi afon ba no nyamente zo omo bu makete be fi sunya a obodo omo ni chomo suga ko pena nyambo ocho omo ni dreams etimi e di abo ni na abo ama ne man ko ye ra mo na e fe no eni ramu MTN FA Cup chair pay per friend Wilson ata Willie Sky eni no edi nkomo de na chairman na zesi a plans be na mo de atoto na kwamu ene match ni bi koso chira match ni bi betimi ato aso sen ene hihye be na ma ye plans o mo de ato na kwamu no se no pimpa ni di nkomo che
na ebo against Legon City and no mo so mo shia mo shipa because coaches love even more and orango to be a very so I assume that we will see a very good we are expecting a very thriller very good match between Suatreman and Legon City and Saturday then Sunday no but for quite a hombre is Dream FC defending champions and the PCA for the semi-finals on Sunday 12 May the Saturday a live match and the Sunday so a live match you will see it very wonderful.
That's your lawyer command a paper friend Wilson at Willie Sky. Although they chair the MTN FA Cup or Madeira to after any bizarre na Sika 7 no one share no say na city we wanna be more complaining ze Sika 7 ni ade ade na mbo we no so say no bomo de di nkomo che.
In FA Cup yen fa football no like normal league match player never be wo mo ko no ma ba ball ya ko yen fa no say show be a complete entertainment. Do you
Atia no ya command your bomodin etimieri jani ina bo amane ma da ye pretimiera ma ye na ya pje mo na fe fancy ato aso da mana momra na ye confirm edema se fufi anto ata seminar rehu ye papa ezaze pimper friend Mohamed Sani ebane Ghana football coach football to muzampa wa ye juma ye papa emze so amepatamu ane Ghana de din adodo na de friend no Sani dendem na meze bra efi mu na anwa ene bomodi jano kwan kra hwen komo no se de ni sitie ne ne ma no esi ewrama na jeze juma na koso ewo so am central mox no na ye ntutu na 2 prepare de ni fi ha ekokukuru ma nto na zo yo bia Ghana football no wa boa ye papa para mun komo no e Robert Joanem the video emotional kakra na wa ba be hwe ne kakra na esere mun komo na esietie o hwe na chassia na zerezi kwa unze na Evans o se capito mun ne o mo akeka ka nkwada bi mu a ofo mo fa ne nsam ni nyina wo video ni ma na no de tini eti akraft no fancy beto aso na afi de akibia yetimi de remedy amamo
Poor tackling. My name is Sani. I am the coach of Another Start Football Club. Back up the ball. Let's go. Move. Sit up. Yeah.
Sani is a good person.
Sorry, man. I'm sorry. Kaka, even on the way. What's this, mommy?
We are there, yeah. We catch you.
Yes, nice shot.
So Lucifer, put me in the ones and I pass.
Move. When your team move, go.
Like, Rafa send him back. And see if I say papa.
Yeah, hey, sugar phone. Kaka one for soon.
When Almighty God permits, I will play from Tottenham.
Most of the professional players in Ghana are from my club. It's called Antonio Bua, your goaler. I can mention, and me. That will not permit us.
He is my godfather.
Oh, fine. Antonio Bua.
Nice to meet you.
Okay, welcome.
Thank you very much. Yeah. So you are going to UK to play some tournament. That is big opportunity for you to travel and see how the world is. So you have to believe yourself.
Champion. The Yamisha need the kind of much. Yaka, the instead of much. And about the Adam was free by a piano. Or Swiss and eating much. We are my first time I'm the food video.
I just right now we are back. The glass of water, and say,
about 2 glasses. Then I'm your what I will maintain your classic abuse. Your boy, a final match.
Mukam go to go to Mammy. Move a couple of Ragana Mati. Anyway, oh, my idea, we dance. But the cooking means a lot. Not only how to play football, it's to be able to change the attitudes of the boy. Just to take off that mentality they had at first and give them a new mentality of life. That's what I've been teaching them. That's why we formed this club. To help this boy.
Just say nipo baby call asemo Mike. Because I'm say last week I'm no KT tram na me was all cross kwan na pajamas. I was hey, but now I say cars no be busy. Na ma I'm say yent me ne na nkomo sanke kudi nkomo na sanke din kra no. Nyame mfa ne kransi alam pe baby na on fa ne na I'm say they will be and be so nye kama yes inti ye abudi local news ne Bayern man afre ne Sedu Rafiu enso medim komo ye nua Ghana ne branch from Techiman and nante ya from eho de call and cry na ujai obi so 19 free baby we in course am run about kwebede Sedu bibia e find there
ya me adon boko
okay na online to say
nya ize mu ya me ya pa
emuno sesen ase na nkasa esi fom na na se na ndua na nkasa
ase na nkasa ekru na
na siri nyina how
enya easy nante na me nante no say awia no na e bought too much
okay
nti me call ni nyina ra e was me hwe nsu gu me ho sane be ya menya a very my friends cool
temperature be okay
nti me call nyina na me hwe nsu gu me ho no na egumi mpaboa ni nti mpaboa no mu be shishi nti ma me nanu be no why nti no like me kwa I say me medical team no yenya 20 minutes rest na also mo bana mo be te ano na mo de pane e hye na mo twinsuo no ansa na mo de masa to anante no so
engineer say nye mpaboa na wo hye na ema wona mo yi acrobat weather na nkasa
kan wona mpaboa no so ne emia me kakra because no na me start training sa
okay mpaboa na they start training
yeah
it's not mean changing fampo of
yeah also onya hye ade bi na e no 9 bekoko den so sana obetimi ayden ayusufu fro ntino na nya easy se me amuka so beto for me no omuma me use no because and one of me start training ti na me na hoko.
Okay, so when now whom say a challenge abeso jitum na obetimi aye
it's not easy say like the reason why me yes I require Guinness World Record na kan ho but 2020 election about one year 2 year na ntawantawa bebresi wo Ghana especially Techiman nyakasa mejina obi me witness de koso menya phone call nyese kan nyese phone call no ba ekura bia na ebia mapura na say matoana na mo nsiedo na but all the same so madam for pa na mene no very close to Kano instant money we
sorry
intino metena say dwen ho say Techiman intisa yen hu bibisa o Techiman and this is 2020 inti like man for account on some say Techiman idea ekrobone Techiman ekrobone but Techiman intisa inti na person me fa kwan bi so e clear sa mindset ni free man for team and me planning from 2020 na me nim kwan me fa so manya Ghana for awareness intino metena say dwen ho kwan me so no fa so ma sa BBC Ghana for nyina adwena ba me so na ma ka sans asemu a kire mo inti me wana me 2020 4 year mete say Asantua our Singleton to a Singleton na me say no then this is also an opportunity for me to also create the awareness that at the 2020 election no yeah some person be 2024 intino I was meet me here a nanti from Techiman sa besene ko region by region sa de ko nkran mu intino me the 96 hours na yes adwumade no
wow
yeah and again it's world record no the farthest distance walking so on nanti farthest distance walking in male which is 24 hours into 24 hours na end and hono na me Guinness World Record yes into from
the count nyina na yento so
our friends into so but and also a peace walking
okay
yeah nam nyina na ye kan about peaceful election in 2024 ayepe
okay
yeah penta wantawa they see 2020 election no nti se panyini bia ba won chen na so be ka che se gisempo na se gikapre na se gikubu na eko ye ntuturu asem kokunu ka chere say no
ballot boxer
ka chere say Ghana first
wow
because Ghana na ye nyina die say yes mpemfo ka mo asam say unimu wu ahwenda ye hwe de amanaman fo amoko hwe like amu minus na city e kom ne nsu kom ne ade onkola nketenkete nyina like ombobro asefem ntino ye mpese sa ade no besi o Ghana ntina mesume tunu si o say no I have to be the peaceful ambassador in 2024 election. Yeah.
Okay, so who then recognized by Guinness World Record or like or mama reply ma go ahead and so moment now decided say who take up such challenge because in me chroma.
Yeah.
The moment I best and besem ye bi no your mom be for show cry bo my mom ba abamubu nsem like beginning that challenge and it say men nante from Techiman to encline from Techiman crowd back come down my before ebo offense so cry ketwa
no cry but the first time because me side we ni pe brain aka say at the old border man yeah what mean actually almost 300 applications come for saying yamboa people 5 pen responded to us Alaji Sadat Apasonic Motors Belakwa 3-in-1 Madake Cash and Carry ena Alaji Mumuni Alaji Musa sorry amuna moye obi amutu amusi wose amemaye sika na Belakwa so sponsor yensuo na ede yes adwumade obi obako ne obi ara no for serious o say hada ko jimi na obodam wait man anti from Techiman to Accra na ka Accra timi kura te sen me ko madam for na madam from motofita e ko no na meti ho guy bi bae na mo ka chen sa obi be na ntia kwa Accra o say da ni pa kura jimi na no nim se meten nchen odi atama ada kwa no abodam mo say na oni mi ba ko oni se mia odi atama owie na mo ka chen sa na nipa na odi na atama o so on fa ne jimi firo na mo ka so on neti ho no on man again say hey boss wo abotrepa o na me say peace in 2024 election inti se me sorry tia o se me be ko ntokwa peace na me pe ne so fa so ne sen Nti no chira wadwen asem na ba nti obi anchira na adwen.
So we nso e.
Oh, me no enye easy. Obi a ebon sem ko teachman. Enye teachman kwa Ghana nyina. Obi ani age say me na ma peaceful talk. Say 2024 election e peace.
Because yentin empeni nsem da e ade a wota e se bia o. We bu on ma say omomotai ko bia long distance na bi on ma or marathon ni ono on fancy bi obeka so jog from a how to be a commander no wasaba nanti ne ade aware dada
nanti ne me hobby because beginning me cast me start here side way me kai say me catch Jerry G na me bo Dino so amane na me bo me anti mo amane na me bo Asian mo so amane na team no me bo obi amane nti obi aka say well so also be here there yen hwa de in the try Kumasi na hwa de nti me de nanti free Kumasi with 19 hours attachment to Kumasi with 19 hours na me ba Kumasi. So me san by drew and me say me money si wa me san nanti ko sunjane. And na me san nanti ko wonchi. Na me san nanti Eco Sampa with 24 hours. Yeah, in Titano Boas and Tano so the any day.
Yes, I'm here as a practice now. Serious. So at what point, because I did be able to be a Juba, so would see or instant you bet me aye. O man answer baby kitwe bi kajozo. Jana unt me and for so be any so. At what point ni do ya na ye so and who he also twaso. Bibi sa buy.
A determination I made 2 months me. It's a determination that you have to achieve what you have determined. So me determine say you matter life or death, I have to face it because me pesi Ghana enya peaceful election in 2024. Until you matter say me na me wuna Ghana kwa benya more peaceful election. I'm a Ghana asati as there. I was me more Ghana.
To that extent.
Oh yeah. Because they see you teach me no. Say me kwa me free make a peaceful walk on say man as a peaceful election as him. Na me kwa me free.
Yes
say basa bay yo beba 2024 election e akoka nkola mbabunu ne mberwafo ne ya mo aka nyinara ba me nkwa me kan na samuti na me nkwa me hwere me nkwa koraye.
Okay, we started journey me kai say one Saturday we buy us here. So from team and car na mo ambulance no and van no no support every here
and na make us say you try almost 300 applications the command for say you more support nipa 5 pen boy.
Hey.
Yes, because we are for serious.
It was a team no taking care of what's the name, the expenses.
Okay.
For say ambulance no kwa or medical budgets. Say a national thing. Enja ambulance back and from us.
Okay.
So we have to negotiate, and then they gave us a budget to meet. Nrone guka no munu nyina omufu online medobeko about personnel na mutu amamode akono. You have to into my budget. So we wrote those letters to the various dignitaries in company for companies no. And more than 300 letters, but just 5 pay. And I respond to you because some of them thought it's something it's ABI sebi ntem hunu kekebina yedi but nyankopon adom started when started and amount for attention started say draw towards it.
Nyese bia me twa so but let us now mo trekwa na mo see for sponsorship ni nyina na mo say over 300 bia nipa no fo say agro bi na mo di. So from day one na mo tell say mo simu no ebi mo sa get it back to mo.
No, we wouldn't say ABI more kono more for say ABI but ye drew ya no dey. It drew a kind of news to no cover around there. I think say some of them are reaching out to more paying Wolfie.
Yes, as a more Olympic Games, yes, so quite good medal, banny amount $5,000 because in zone to me and I feel more kwajiaba. So ne say muku drew a crown there or my friends
oh yeah
and then mo bar na so how bar na say or film this kind of bema na support na bema but na assembly in this way
assembly couldn't support for now, but probably as we are going to we've received some calls in him say Kofi
from assembly no
in pennyphobi
I don't see anywhere be
but when find access from come honorable Mensa Kosa, the MP for Techiman South. Along the line, I spoke with him personally. The sending message said, "This is what we are doing because all the letters no call in Shiano, so we are busy. So it took me. So me texting say we are still embarking on the journey, but he almost support na. Ubisa say, as at that time now it's what boy krama. I'm saying not the esa. You know, besides say, but I say na a cut throughout the journey day and night. Yeah. Until okay, so okay, fine. I think that was on Monday or Sunday. It was say Wednesday over 2 coin. Until no person who die be drew nanka or who know so by Tuesday there because it's 4 days at my home 96 hours until so 9 a.m. or the Independence Square because I started 9 a.m. or teach my henny anymore. So we are targeting 9 a.m. in Accra. No, so okay, so Saturday obey me at train and son about me at 2 coin. So I think say you drew Independence Square. Some passport. It's in my 10,000 Ghana cedis.
Oh, okay.
So, yeah, in Tinyakupo insurance. So as soon as Pablo and Ayaraga, I'm also NDC youth organizers. I think national. I'm also by Hobema 2,000 Ghana cedis. And I think so. What's the name? Some couple of people so it's me a boy offer same motors and so Accra and so boy with internal rounds Accra boy Accra and there were a lot of people the Julie J blogger and so a boy Odamiles bomb so a boy and then especially the whole team the whole team possible me I'm taking it to be something like an adventure Kamenya could be young experiences such I don't know how to
do it. Point yes, you nantia kwakra.
We dey say nya kra some distance we call the for kwan so.
Oh, now say me am nantia kra fine. What say do my memory as now can be ana.
Yeah, for so ajare.
Okay.
Say one so near din. Oh good. One so many din komo. But na ono ye ne bonsa ho. Kwans until one so cycle CH, but any night in command, say Drew Techimana, Yenon, so ebitimi at the and common Tinako Punchra, so honorable for Swajare, MP for Techiman, not, and said, yeah,
well, say do some by microphone, mammy, real quick. Oh, can move far from the choir, me fancy, Utimna no more van mono.
Yeah.
As you who say Drew baby and be musi no one and say do a no more and I know sanity.
Yeah, team near Chemumi and sa your timekeepers and I will standby team. One team is here first team this from one. Make calling you now me hears you.
Okay.
Yeah, me hears you now like menums you know so I'm not too rough and to on the phone or so be so fast FR over. Yeah, until like comment by saying I'm to two rovers good home. Yeah, I'm only say be after that and me team necessary. And you know, like as an
man lot baby.
Yeah, and you know it's not easy at all. Yeah.
So from how the quack ran, Croben out drew so. Nay, you say me na mo ya me means me be mo say me tena ka na me jai because so was no the kind track Guinness World Record no cry me dada.
And American guy say determination me see money you say me person me Enya peaceful election 2024. Me pesi Ghana enya very 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 peaceful election in 2024. Inti what determines adi we wa bombe da wa bombo na just one dog Ghana mai. Asma okay no untimi ndiso. Na me pesi me Ghana for who say no. We still love Ghana. We have people who love Ghana and you say like Ghana ni empe Ghana sem. Yeah. Inti many team in Nigeria say we are going. No matter how the situation is.
I learned say about all the flight in the buy. So call 19 call about the flight in the buy. Experience not to say. And yes, assignment to Brabat. As a BBS in a short period of time. Experience not to say.
Oh, very very massive. Managing home like support I would demand from day one. Make a so paying for so you come on. And all thanks to me Julie J na ma menya sa akunyano. Yeah. Due to her like I'm very very excited. Na menya sa konya na flight na bay yeah
ma memra on me say bloggers no dey amount anya dey say bi una all the check because all the phone o data na won your man e be update e kan say your man na say
yeah we me watechiman e hona metina ko school ye bibia nti me blogger me so nyame ado me some influence me wa crowd mo influence o industry ni mu. Inti most of the time me use me influence ne the support young boys now more techiman.
Okay.
Inti we kwa na menya we say o ye bibisa nti me hu social media Jerry madam for Facebook nti posting na me hu na since then me posting na me ma some of the bloggers and so ebo an nti obedu ya me ko share since then I took it up from there na mene odame nso ye blogger nti ya na so ni move from media rounds ye Jerry ye me ensa na ye de na bedu hanti just me giving back to my town that brought me up in a very good way. So I'm just giving back to my community.
Because you say blogger be no normal be carry story for free. This be an ipan say willingly e be a pawasem na or yama so to that extent say be only be mo crack so bo mo be ka so ntimi ana fa so be ani so.
Say blogger say ndan fofo nti say obi so timi de ne hu nipa de mame na ma post ya man nti once they know say he's a brother from my hometown me support and they also come together and support him.
Say remember back to you drew Accra no yenim say techima na offer the best in Accra me kai say time am ko drew be internet no so bi kra so am say what try here me do to ambulance me say won't me to so start time kwa na ye do Accra asa na feed an up na ba be story about be ka say sa story na na internet no so say won't me nko na am say what pass out kwa me do to ambulance me na nya no ko ye do Accra wo do Accra na amanfo mu hu so waye no Independence Square and Black Star Square hono. Now for reception it's saying.
Easy. E ko among for us and this ano. Udru babi kura obi peso so mu keke.
Oh.
Yeah, also mu kura okay. Ba na meeting.
That's what me star I don't know.
Oh, me star me Madam Popular.
Some passports. Wow. Because so mu draw on the man say mu team na mu di country nti. Am 14 news no nipa ba pa.
Oh yeah. You drew our friends saying circle. Then easy.
That was Sama.
Yeah.
Mama Sama no. Obi a twem.
Edi kan na was say kwaji police escort. Ani kwa na ma check kakra.
Okay.
Kwaji police escort wo hobe edru hobe 7:30. So na I was say meet na nke pese in Independence Square at exactly 9 a.m. Nti by police escort no delay kakra. Nti PA no so no na I was say omode friend is saying na man for so wo kwan no so na mo pese more like we don't want to get close until na ma encounter but it meet achimota mo pepe na 9 a.m. no yeden eson so from then on friends say please for nankasa mo my and escort mo the motor no e clear the road mo fa ni see come na yeden call Independence Square ndru Independence Square ho no yeduru ho na chebia na the crowd started nya alerting say yeduru no because immediately we got there I made the post say yeduru so I think say when you now started say omo ba say oh yeduru they all started coming.
Wow and the mudu Accra dem say calls the phone so na say bapa from obusun afo ho ne.
Wow, yeah.
Within about 10 minutes, we receive calls to cover 30 and 40.
Serious? Whoa.
Yeah, I want to receive calls, baby. To know, I got on the phone, then you're keeping it somewhere. Yeah, easy.
So from a honor like empenophobia, phobia, sports ni mono because sports you can't sports and you football and kwa ebi America call ni one what ebi NSC phone can penny be afro.
So far obi am friend is hard but na me so anyina me determination me soldier by soldier no due to win any deal ever be a
I was quite also more fast.
Yeah, any deal be apart from soldier no any deal be
ready
to I mean
and as opportunity no should be my military mo abe
sure me
because always you are not strong anyway you are saying crowd here wa ga say obi anka o se soldier ni obi anka bi ncho
o mutaka yeah
o mutaka oh yeah yeah because so 9 ni eh and no what plan pa o
Wabi ano de tia fom na nkasa no ehyensuo
e pass abede no atia ona ne so bi
na oso mo twe na omo de aduro no guso omo de aduro ya bi guso na omo de guso na se o gina ho a wa obesu ma no kam na afi na omo da chichi ne tia no betima so stay no for be 1 hour 30 minutes and so I was say e call 4 hours and so na break ti hours na ka bi ya de so end your pain ni sa akofim se betwa da hours na wi na aduro no acha 1 hour na 1 hour 30 minutes na atete Tina was saying but time into me engine just a 4 hours now so Tina was so endure pain but be a drew or say you endure pain a copim say or a time in the person and almost Sunday for Agusto.
It's moments now drew Blaster Square on Independence Square said more baby Pinasi Canono. That moment na then about him. Yeah.
And 4 days I share man for Simecono and I share Ghana for Simecono. Made this super because come many 1 day to so Casamaba.
Wow.
Oh yeah.
Wow. So we and what's a Guinness for and can Guinness World Record for what among
any day my team no so
okay, but my communicate at home say
evidence no say na
yeah sanchiro mo kwa sama to mo so kra na from Kumasi besen kwa bas kra twa bebe de ona nipa
so it will take some at least they have 1 month 2 weeks and be approximately 2 months and na abia
mama to mo
ka but eba no matter the results
mo de na mo besen mo ye na mo aye no so ekwan so no mo na ma mo ko no ti say bia daytime and night cars no so mo twa mo kwa akra bi ba no o mo humu a na like bimu wave support ni ade.
Oh yeah, I'm feeling very very happy because obi o ha drew free akra ba ni na wate en kase eba nti opeso hu ye keke.
Okay.
Yeah, nti no obi like omo bimu kura timi gina na omosi abe share abe my welcome na mo sa ko from bus.
Bro no dey boy ben like we na very
show
so show ko bo bus na nka sakra nipa na egum ni na bo so mu nyina ko but one side ho mo ba
because obi at news ne say Techima ni be Ghana ni be ko chese o
I'm saying there's a forest between Lindador and then Suhum. They drew on say I'm so much delay crab more than 15 because cars be do am person meko
and to be a slow down
air close by 15 minutes na cars ni na kwanti mi ntwa mu we na it was a feeling na make can say camera she sen ko bia ko jeni ni bia na sen ko bi nso timi ko jeni bi na ko hu o experience say dey city
baba I dey with the baby kwan pi yes a baby kwan pi minimum bibi won ma say do bia be so kan team no mo be some dey twidwa ma fon so tia na be come say by this time a few fon so hwe o Techima ne important mo wan mo ko school mo support obi a minim dey be so dey so biem
I'm taking it from here and so on. You fancy why a lot of tax ahead. Unse Sisiano, person peace ambassador for this particular year, 2024.
Okay.
So a person is saying, you know, projects in the Dawson. You call all the communities, especially the Zongo communities. And unse yana pembe bri, mutagi and northerners and us. Yana sebi to trust some near them. And a person clear those doubts. No, a person a preachy entre a youth. No, so say sebi penibia about China so bedada we discuss
some passports
ballot box ne ko yesia.
Also on fa ne bana man nko
exactly. Nti a person yanko nti ni nyina be financial support. Yetimi share anase yetimi share the Ghana Peace Council our GFL so nti ye no me communicate from there. Penibi so was Secret Safo and so eboy ni pa o Lydia company for being so ye hwe animu say ABN so but yes wrong or the mobile money number be to granty e wo mo bia obeti so even with this journey in the crowd there are a lot of costs that so yeah try say e be year free on no mo bia obeti me da boy kitwa bia so no obeti me da boy bia no obeti me e de
mo number no mo boy
nti momo
number oh okay
before say do be born momo number no say do flight now or the buy no
yes
any hotel accommodation Olivia Church any Olivia Foundation and Pastor Blessed any neda no
okay
ono no offer bibia ka me flight de me na me twa buy but ono ne de so for na efa o kan ti e be fa akwanya we so na ya da na se me sure ne pa
o Accra na Techima
sorry no Accra but on the US
nice
Pastor Blessed any
nyame nshana pa awai nyame juma na say ne bia ni nyame nshana na baby o yi free bia won shana na mu say do bo mo number no because kitwa bia nso a Ghana for mo abeku say kwa be say hia nuru be hia nuru ane awo you be Dr. Blessed na ya pe 5G energy drink ni bia ma very necessary pa very necessary and you say you just say you call your boss or na your catcher no na yeah because who here be say and also the ahoden vom they say across aka so be kwa akra no bia betimi akọ say the bubo number no here pa
number is 024 10 46 847 024 10 46 847
Rafiu Sedu Rafiu ti Ghana for Madarama said abrebia moye man mungu ye ne maase no Sedu wate Ghana for nyina ne mo nante from Techima ebesen ko nkran ti kakra bia mo benya ya to so bia no si yensi so last one Sedu Rafiu ene edin ebeba mo number no eno no yensi so
024 10 46 847
024 10
46 847
homecoming no eba so na ya make us say cars crash na nimu cars e go
ze mo Techiman street
Techiman street
ene so kom be sha masa why ma leta one mo fie bia ma bi o
cars e go nimu ho no motos nso ne the pragas ne
wow
almost we share wa commandant
oh nice
at exactly 3 p.m.
ene at lighter yes obi amra bi where bro letter wo fu se na edi agro bi ade wo de be beje
oh ye beje
wo de ba beje
o tin nso so new milk mani mu ho a o mayanka kwan no so e be so abodwa ye welcome party
nice
no e obi
say why ade pa nyame insha
ye ma ne fe
and so wo domo man why ade pa
nti Gangster TV zone chiaso nkonkom
oh nice wo ye mre ne me fa course no nas yas toothpaste yas toothbrush adam ye fa course no kaka na ye sorry so 0551931931 0548931931 ye fa course na fe amanfo nso mbra na mo nchema adwena fe ye sorry so nti eno no Oban Wallowa already na fi volume on TV settings Wallowa no so am I sedu and an anti from Techiman Besin Kwa Accra sedu no hello Kwala
hello
yes sir
champion we dey why you no
open we didn't be aga say free
the family regions make us free have logo
wala do yet you
champion apa no aya dio wa bono mo de mpa yina ye be bana ya ba mo fa
that's it yeah say hello
yes abadi
yes open we didn't be aga say free
we dey wa party wa dey nya Robert me ga te fi to chuta ta ibo ta te chuta trano pe never me pacho how many days no do three
or the 4 days 96 hours
from the children to Accra
ofafa
people really
onam form
Alfomo Guano. What you remember, man, how on Toka? When you are not saying it, baby, what you about you?
Jose,
about the answer about you.
Oh, now the idea is remember
management, Hano on Tokamano, because in Nano Prano, I take Baba. I am going to tell you, Michelle. Let you have a power. Yes, you have a Chinese Libya.
Martin Roberts, hello.
Hello.
Yes, sir. Good morning.
Hello.
Hello. Good morning.
Good afternoon.
Open you didn't be aga say free. Okay, yet you. Oh, nice. I'm say you for free. Hello.
Good morning.
Good morning, mommy. You didn't be aga say free.
Make a free Techiman. A friend of Bayern.
Well, Bayern from Techiman yet you.
Make a chop. Yeah, brand was saying when you're flower Techiman. The actually saying I mean sure no man and catching tree.
Amen.
Let me show you hono. Yanko Poman and Yakesi.
Amen.
Yes, you are trying to Techiman have
I know them in your Techiman come about because them so solo.
I sober.
Aye. Voice not cry come up. Hello. Hello, Kola.
Hello.
Yes, sir. Good morning. Hello.
Hello.
Good morning, sir. We didn't be aga free. Oh, okay. Hello.
Yeah. Good morning.
Good morning, sir. You're from Soga free.
Yeah, my for you, Bushan.
What man for you too?
The person make an say. Akwana one and say a teacher my park.
Say do
Guinness Book of Records no. Omo fanen ka ho. Say omo be no mbeka sa ye disqualify no na one and see na say na wa you wa ye dia. Omo ma ye we the new.
That's right.
Say be say makoto nyum na say na yibia we the one and clear.
That's right.
Na ya o me pese me buta wa de ba ko asma de no de ya won so mia no ya me pese me hu eno so bo because then ya wo de amount for de to Ghana ya wo de we mia na won kan ne bo ya
o ha
ya ka de ne bo na mi wa
yeah nyamiad mo ibo
oh
Yes, need come out.
Oh, yes, toothpaste and brush and don't choose here.
Yes, need come out. If you are soup on your happy momo. Who did you choose the crown? Now, obey me at the
that's
a mouse near the ding. To me, then I can remember begging. But no, me bought by say, happy a text now. Bought by say, happy now, my black papa. Lady, I got you now, function, Alana, on me. We need to cut me be now. I said, our black papa.
Okay, and your man city Ashaba Koda. Hello, caller. Hello.
Hello, yeah, good afternoon.
Yes, open here from Sogas free.
I touch on a fat in capacity to my central zone.
Oh, not Tachiman Boko dear.
Hello.
Arafat, yet you.
Where they are to done with your mammy and see a trying to say that they teach my idea supporting our Cotamanchi.
Here, pa, Mumma support na Bibi, and fine. Young Faber 1 or 2 minutes. Sorry, so hello.
Hello.
Yes, sir. Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Yes, open your first August free.
That's a free but yes,
oh.
Hello.
Yes, sir. Good morning.
Good morning.
Am I trying first August free? Yet you.
It just
well, Monfanche, I'm say, and no, what shall I mean? Your birthday is no real quick na fee. Young Koya, the Mamini Kanye, Lady Nidiana, so say, from Mr. Same or Kanjen, and Aja drinking water. Was say, happy birthday to Mrs. Precious Akon, Mrs. Precious Akon, and Ewa from Mr. Same of Kanjen and Aja drinking water. Say, Yan Kancho, say, Yamin Shrow. Na on March, say, Bibia, we be an queen from Manafu, Akuma Swadiano, on Memrem Sedi, and also Esitia Pepe, T. O dear, and so, and no. Afe happy birthday going out to Ketri Obi Sompa TV, graphic designer and Ketri and so our Ketri. Happy birthday going out to Nyamenya Okasoma Bibi Uncle Sedie. I was say Sikon and Fama. When so I say happy birthday to Yao, aka Corrosive, fancy army member, and the Corrosive, and the Yave show a year happy birthday. Special happy birthday going out to Ansa Debra, aka Nana Ansa of a year Rockstar Primary School, and woko na ewa woda from mama Ketri Brago UK say ya show awoda pana yen kancho say na ewa woda nyame ntonsu pamfangu ya birthday so worshiper Ansa Debra na ewa woda faith to Victoria Kwashi efia and ewa woda o dietitian or University Hospital Tech happy birthday so eko enso ama nyame ma wakoma so ade no enso embrem enso emfama wo Ojo say opo mumu number ni timi baba janama bubama no. Em say Ojo nso de kakra beto so e de ama ayesedu. Ye sorry so nemo between 1 and 3. Sompa extra ebeba entertainment show na nuni obehia fees, school fees. Sompa extra between 1 and 3. Ebeba so na fe wonso why enjoy entertainment show aye de bro no tisha no so mame. Sedu la bobo number na ma Ojo na fe sorry so
024
10 024
10
46
847 024 10 46
847 T Ojo sedu momo number na ye no bi biase yen service ni nko ye boss na yen ko conscience na daro mo me 5G ni bi na fama na fatwa kwan ko na bi bia anye fine ye no bi biase yakra mo